the picture no extra and now make us say
okay, there's the site for okay excavator we need to hold the last time I
so but almost started excavation and it's net no grano we me no one more project progress they call her 2 days ago
okay
but me 87.9
okay
na nkrofo na was almost standing by na omutime mayen information no na sa nkrofo no omuni ho nti omo aye ne say enra no almost start excavation by na ometwan na omama me progress of work nti koso
and answer fe na eba be koso
koso
because from what I'm seeing
but na because we a project be a preparation time grab problem because Asante be prepare wo
87.9 Kumasi
offices 87.9 Kumasi of the processes and man ain't that easy
okay
inti omugu so make say omo start ade ni na okay say abai kra anya sika ode waka ho asem say ya shase je me hu ni say ayade a was a mani ko ho ntina me makoho na enenso me sa ko
because it was a project na yehwe ni was to be completed within I think about 36 months
yes
and and 2020 2022 and the first 2 months is almost getting over we are shaking if you say
shaking because and then I got just yeah started excavation problem be fee say travel a little beyond the 36 months now kind of
okay
by the I'm sure say by the end of year 2024 mandate now you see a significant work
link it free here because a project are not they moving together with the 87 do kwa Fen Valley area honina at the eba so you are convinced I'm with me
you bet me
you bet my kase I say ya do so
David
and we are still not seeing much.
But in this particular one, well, we say the source of funding. Assure into a idea you bet to be at the Ayajuma. It's you go so.
I see. So for Sabia Fino, I joined in here. Higher Kuma 87.9 FM. Your name, Madam Patricia Page. Una Masqua now free Accra conference Parliament by. What is the general feeling? The Ghana phobia catcher.
As quite me what is it? As quite from shake is the Omoka is a Omobotomuna. But say or near my woman free about Hody. Omo who say you go so
87.9 Kumasi.
Said yeah, so sad that your mom said as quite a because share ya kwanya chese you try a change
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi
sanya mani no na wo be ka ya 2020 ye beto aba no e dey na no omoka ubisa se omo asema omoka se ma pa to oje hwe ubisa se dey na pese enko ya osia na kwan
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
The areas are nanka enye mo trouble. Nyina aye mo trouble. The ye hu ne se obia se emu na den niema bo aye den ye botom na aye den. Eno
Akuma FM 87.
And that is the general feeling. There 2 year Kumasi at your time now MC Kumasi manfo who says and I don't know say munye den sa but it was some local issues 2024 enya no bi na SNPP mu bo abi hu
I don't think so
208
when no ye
general feeling e course so yaudi amanfo di hasipa na wasn't 208 crowd general hardships than what we are seeing. This is the force cash, the CD to dollar, everything. I mean, Mobang, the president, Ghana is getting bad and bad, especially in CD to dollar depreciation, the general economy, almost every day.
And I make a choice, a media being my dear back. Ni panel pilot ship, no. Or so I assure you, so or the ever be sequan passo. It may say assurance, and
within these 2 years.
Within these 2 years.
Okay.
And within these 2 years, and there.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
But because the feeling now for me enyano, me when say a lot of it here based on propaganda.
Propaganda.
Yes, FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I won't say Ghana nye di na man for na propaganda.
Apart from that, sir, omo de near maybe ekekam.
Ebi ni de.
Na ayi MPP shadanye project papa bi amfama Asante Asante enye Kumasi nko oka Asante oka Asante as a bigger oti say ena afenso so
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ukwan enketewa na ebetumi aye a na wo kofa
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Interchange ebesiwa nipa na chesa o mankrofo no kra hardship unenam mfichire en eno de wo ka ba wo susa na abesi boto we so ankane me feel say.
But that is exactly what you are doing. Because boys are even rehabilitation rules here. A Kumasi as stadium high chi ya asphalt valley anamoye. Utisi kasi akọ actually way. How can you know?
I'm
talking about them before amani awa was gates in a contract. So one
small stretcher.
Oh really?
Yeah, yes, one small stretcher. What it requires now is some kind of say rehabilitation.
Okay.
Nani pay to me afaso. Enti sa kwan no want me inform say bibia nkoso.
So the general feeling is Ghana phone is MPP appears to have failed based on promises about the Maya.
Propaganda.
Who say a propaganda?
Pure one.
We are sure.
I'm very sure about
Are you convinced Obeka say in terms of development assurance any Ghana funyan no bosha mo share no eno na mu deliver
yeah they me cultural say microeconomics there my main culture say that thing is everywhere in this world even though me hunu say bia maybe people see say maybe decisions and I man about this but a world issue obia entumi nyaye but in terms of delivery and niema was say in terms of health in terms of what
87.9 Kumasi
supply in terms of roads and even grass ye take stock of it about why roads more than any other abaya
my part Obeka Asante region some MPP free so ne dear na bet my cancer there's an outstanding development Asante mine forever I'm the beka here o ma pani dara ko for ye the hospital
and the roads
the roads
because roads MPP ama power Asante ha ye nyewu
87.9 Kumasi
I don't more appreciate that I didn't know Asante want me appreciate that yeah ma roads obi anya because 8 years sir and this better so pick and choose roads are was why ye ni nyina no na ewo your friend is asawase because muntaka and na ewo and a few other you cannot
so be because why man in call for
yes
so mona maba you so also lobby for the development of constituency
Akuma FM 87.9
every district there's some kind of road construction going on there.
Several of them you abandoned.
Yeah, several but one mo be we. Na make a just say What's it? Yeah, the Brenner 2024. My cultural.
Asante de be kai say mo be ye Kumasi akwan.
Yeah, but yeah, it's
not like the de be kai mo say MPP. The one be say
Kumasi akwan.
Okay.
Yeah, na President Kofi energy Eurojet. Sika editor ho 8 years NDC and to me anye meanwhile sika no so na nka besu all the project no state 87.9 sa Eurojet project nyina we have taken them up and yeah upgrading and it was our baby and yeah omoba no mama yeah
unim the worry with the Eurojet project.
Yes,
man for say yes and Peneda Kofi initiated all of them.
Yeah.
Some of them nearly securing fund near their dinner. Yeah. You buy it to say NDC for or my misuse scanner.
Yeah.
Dr. Anthony Siansari on my network, no what baby out here. Or see Kofi Omo a discarding in us. Yeah. 4, 5, 6 years on. Then she and my back cry could we near the abono. Ghana for as soon as we near make us all your financial audit.
But
Mahmoud so I can't so that is the worry.
Special prosecutor that mandate.
Okay.
And no, yes, a responsibility as parliamentarians. Yeah, Bibia de Amano. And they are shedding some set or no, and no. Sometimes some of these things are shrouded in some EBA. Dealing with it now is difficult. Because later a year. Yeah, they be dealing with it.
Akuma FM 87.9.
But if you look into the account, there's nothing in it. Contractors were given some amount of money, they never performed. And these are some of the it was a year. But
Akuma FM 87.9.
As a year, you bet to me, and they say it is right and sometimes. So audit the easy. Also, we used to have a lot of confidence in Obaye Abrantie.
The office of the special prosecutor.
You say, oh,
Akuma FM 87.9.
It is a nipa cover near maybe apa. It is always very difficult. I don't blame him.
I see.
Say or a beer or no one performer and answer. But you need to be sure of your case.
The last time I offered Kumasi
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Wow, Kumasi. At the time I would yes, one kasa. I mean, my part, bringing that discipline, moving Kumasi everywhere. If I be kayak, square near just so quiet, and then Kofi Kumasi.
Akuma FM
and oh, touch it down. What you play, Mukana, baby, see Kumasi abonten so now. Obi say can you bet me people develop Kumasi amana be sen crime entering and crime development the central business district everywhere that's what we yenko
why if we divide
Akuma FM 87.9
politics in any day so that means that more lack the political will and
well the political will I wouldn't say that we lack it. It could be they would not walk us because we have to boldly face. That is it. We have to boldly face the people. So I deal with you more, and yet.
I know be a refer say my party yeah do 2028 I ever twaba. They went back begging. That means a political will.
And I will always say this. I didn't beg. Actions. No.
So second half of it will be a twaba.
87.9 Kumasi.
My baby begging was what I did was wrong.
Opening up the street.
This is your favorite station. Stay tuned.
Nasio watenase Aduanaba Kofi Asante Ennin Bema wonsinsuo mansa na waham kotopupuni awada ya ma
87.9 Kumasi
popochichi a ofrinsu ase beka so odenchema wu ayenyi wachinyie kankan ntamantu kodu ya baka nkama yankari ni yahumuduro wonya bema wote tatatata na odimirika kototata netete wa wosi afiri tete bekun awaji udin wa akono Kofi se wo ko ba bia ma adenchi wanimu o na bia no na nkane ni bi dakwam anopabosu agugu nusu ama ni trimu nya aduana de hia wotudwa etiketu eso da ye kese odoto kese a wase wanyunu abodwese na yemfam fimfim hunahuna wo de omanfo kukuru ye a wantumi no wotimi kukuru ye nanso eba se ye kukuru wankasa no yantumi yano nti ye de kroyi mu nsam hye wa no se ka kire yen
akoma FM 87.9
de onimu to no ono ne yede ne gina toro no anu o yano nti enne ye de Ghana akoma nyina hye wo nsa Kofi kura ne se kosua dandan ne sabofra kuma ne kusa ne sabode a yede atugya so se Ghana kuma bo a wunti yebete watena se dia me yente de ekoso wo Ghana kuma mu Kofi kasa 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 kasa
Bahaya Akoma 87.9 FM. Within the week, a lot of issues as you see about your boss and they are interrogating a fee a pehon epimesebre and anopay. And the abacope and maybe sir, what happened enra after a meeting war Kwame Nkrumah Swamponimu. Now what has been the decision
87.9
Nipadona Ebisa after the year Nipa addition for Kwasese Niama Ewoho. We can guide you some of the videos. One more journey on Facebook page, our Akoma 87.9 FM, and of course, Aduanaba, Kofi, Asante, Ennin. This was yesterday, our Enrichi, our KNUST campus. There is a decision, and pending for Ediaba after Enra Basabasari Pincha, a course, the Kantanga Hall and Kunti, all the issues about by university authorities are taking decision on that. Certificate of all students are a year involved. I was signing many nano, one more essay, idea, or more would who do, and I said they are withdrawing their certificate. When the university certificate is awarded, you don't earn it. You are the amount, and a school in the Diamawa. Until any old student, our Baba can be now oba a master pinche course. No, a idea, a KUST management idea by Katanga Hall student to bear the cost of repairing damaged vehicles and take student bia ho work Katanga obabitua sika na Bank of Ghana policy rate 22%. Manfo Ibrastate Ekasa, where is the country heading to? And I don't pay a fuel price over the years. The build up Nina Ebetia Boas and Efi Yedi Hong Komo. A lot of issues are Ghana for ABC and not pay. Where is Ghana going to now? Na meno kasa CCA o join here on Facebook page. A videos are Ushe Nano Enra and Yamahodwa ye de chre wo and in our tree all the issues Ahodwa e baya ye bisa say where are we going to? And I don't pay Ibenya Dajena Yedin Komo Sanso and anano brother a very beautiful nurse oko ejuma on the bar and so car etrifa on so a very bizarre moment about what has happened to the police decision. And this is the woman I feel no journey on Facebook page, a very live, wonderful, full of life of a woman. Just say wakwa fan about a 3-year-old boy when you know echo na nebano car etrifa on so. That is what you are watching and I don't pay. And the question I will be able to say what happened and what is happening. Now, ibia yebenya daje car na etrifa woman so no. A dear in amping for aye. Car no crown say driver no crown on some call after the last time and I know more air casa. Then you have big buses, cars and so the discipline aspect of it. Police share the road safety, the MTTD will be a bisa. What are we doing as a country? And I don't pay you na and also yaboboso. Na adiaba kwansia aba na Ghana fuina ekasa and it say offer 10 Ghana cedis. 10 Ghana cedis. Dollar will be not just $1. A serious economic crunch a ofa ewiase nyina yɛse Ghana yɛsika
87.9 Kumasi
continues to worsen. Cedi to dollar, the depreciation said the AC kosoro na essay. Adwadifo nyina ebisa ban say ade na ban ye ho. Anra nanado dan kwakofo ado eko Methodist on conference. Eko gina ho a wo se de aduro no. Gusua so no nyina mompa ye ma no. Na oje awurade adi. Awurade Yesu. That was oje awurade adi. No de ho ato awurade so. Na beta nyame. Beta nyame awu nkrofo. Say de ekoso Ghana no oje awurade adi. No de ho ato awurade so. Say awurade moa na Ghana city enyina. Na Ghana ye economic turnaround. Because Atamis Abresuda, is it your mama Abresua? Duncan Williams no bomb pie say you city. Ghana food diata, they say Ghana city Atamis nene Mahama. Tonsium, I just suggest empire. And now the Danko for to say, better nyame, our young call for nam. Tete nyame, boy, and I city.
We'll also continue with our program for the expansion and modernization of our educational system to create a 21st century workforce. The systematic reform of our healthcare system to ensure a resilient, robust healthcare delivery system. The conclusion of the digitalization process to obtain the full benefits of the fourth industrial revolution. The protection and greening of our environment to address climate change. The empowerment of the security services to ensure the peace, security, and stability of the state and nation. The establishment of a free and just society where entrepreneurship and individual initiative are the sources of wealth creation, with a strong social safety net for the marginalized and disadvantaged, and the improvement of the governance architecture to deepen accountability and respect for the rule of law in our body politic. Above all, I continue to have an abiding faith in God to help turn the fortunes of our nation around, together with appropriate policy, determination, and hard work on our part. And individual initiative are the sources of wealth creation, with a strong social safety net for the marginalized and disadvantaged, and the improvement of the governance architecture to deepen accountability and respect for the rule of law in our body politic. Above all, I continue to have an abiding faith in God to help turn the fortunes of our nation around, together with appropriate policy, determination, and hard work on our part.
Enti nanare dan kwa kofuado na ose o gidie na wode ne ho to awurade so na fei waye niema pa awodo nso e de account hyehyɛ ya wode egu akwamum. And enya bone, because as a Christian ye nyina ye je awurade di, but se kodwo ye na nya etoda ye nya atwem no to ho men ya bompa ya ma yisi tinade ya so ya de ho to awurade so se je awurade di se obeye. So that is the politics aye nyina etikuri mu ha ye anopai me pa cho join ye ne a haya koma 87.9 FM. The next few minutes one subjumedie will be live on Unia TV na fei wetimi nso aye part of the discussion komoni nyina yesi e wana watwi free juada e ba besi ene meme yetu abo ase ne yakane nyina abom e do so nti usom na me nsoma som na ahwekwan e be fa so Ghana e betimi atumpon. But businessmen I will krum ha the guta and all that obiara ni abre. The question at Yebisa and say Sisia dear in a businessman I wore my Ghana as we speak I'm in a Wakasa Sisia the city nugu so falling Mazi for the central market dear my the four wojomina ebisa say to see what are we supposed to do na dear ni yenye so mine because your maya in sika sawotam 10 Ghana cedis now the good kwan same no akwaje $1 just $1 it is a business manner now or $6 last year just December and now even January 7.50 7.2 the sikana at more than 30,000 or by just $10,000 sir so just we have 100,000 Ghana cedis. And that is where we have gotten to as a country. And I don't pay the bacho adiaba kope and then maybe so. So why did we go wrong? Now, a businessman at 30th of January 2020 now we cross 640,000 cities equal to $100,000. 28th of February. Not just a winner 690,000 Ghana cedis and signed winner $100,000. As of 31st of March, this a winner 760,000 Ghana cedis and signed winner $100,000. As at 30th April. As at 30th April. This is a compare 760,000 Ghana cedis. Now when you're $100,000. Yeah, by May 31st of May. Now 790,000 Ghana cedis and I'd be now $100,000. Yeah, by 31st of June. Now we are 800,000. Now the aqua compare of any say $100,000. Yeah, Baby right 31st of July. Not just a winner 850,000 Ghana cedis and son winner $100,000. As at 17th of August, and now pay me no said the 20th of August, 100,000 Ghana cedis and I want Ubenya $100,000. And the posture of a binary as a bibiampo emfano. And I pay we are addressing the president. Dear na ye yen sidi yesika egune ni mase train to ase pano. What is the posture of the government? Haya akoma 87.9 FM. Idi Aduanaba Kofi Asante. The businessman is suffering. Teachers are suffering. Mazi fosu. Central market fonisu. Agbogoloshi fosu. And babia obia esu. Nana adodan kwa akofwado. When I Ghana for to Abama, what are you doing? And I don't pay Ibisa address to the president in CD to dollar depreciation. I am here baby duha. The day to purchase something for ye, I beat me aboa yakoyechi. Yet me some reconciliation. I don't pay. It's just about 38 minutes past 7. We did the Aduanaba Kofi Asante. Oh, here live on Unia TV and live on Akoma 87.9 FM on our Facebook page. And I'll pay Mr. President. Ghana, you know, na Yama Ghana, for you know, Akwaba. We need the Aduanaba Kofi Asante. Baby, will be a good morning. We are addressing the President of the Republic, Nana Adudankwa Akufo-Addo. Mr. President, good morning. Yeah. Ghana Dumpenswobia. We are in a very critical condition. And pay Obia, baby, a very important thing. And I expect, sir, after this address, the President of the Republic, baby, address Ghana for. On Babia, the state of Ghana's economic equity. And I will pay address to the president na na redan kwa Akufo-Addo on our economy. CD to dollar. Enungu yase a egu business a suffer and niama hodo a ekoso. A middle income country na third or might be a Tessa Ghana. Ah die di nyina ya krafra manane. Ah ya ne ya ho. Daddy day nyina ya wo man mu a de ye hwe ne se Ghana sika ebetumanya ne nan so agina. Na ejira ne nan so a etimi aboa ama niama ya kradi fra manane. Eniama ya de eba, eniama ya de ekoni nyina no. Yetimi anya mpempenso bi e de agina so. Oh my Ghana first na yesika ubodin a na in thousands, in millions. Omampani de Akufo eto ne bo ase hu se ba bia Ghana sika no ekoro. Etwa se ye bibia ye fe no redenomination. Ya pegi Ghana sika mane bedum pempenso se na wo fa $1 e match to Ghana cedi. As in $1, ofi $1 and $1 cedi $87. Dollar and I sika we are seeing ejina because that is the American currency and no and they dictate the pace because not that sana ya to we are here enye enti o mai bia usika na ho den and said the America omo the world leading super giants market near the no Debia amano afwa ehwe se ye to ade a $2 baako a obeyi du usika do say en wanya amaye atwa enwo asie nyina enokore se na Aduanaba Akufo-Addo COVID aba ama wo hawa ba enokore se Ukraine and Russia. In fact yemfa ntudwa se free bra Ukraine and Russia starting tokwa America dollar no ho aye den ama euro no eyemre pounds eyemre currency dodo no ano eba form a eyemre eyenokre but obi abebisa say eba form at what rate at what percentage ne nsunsanso no etisen ajefo Ghana omampani de Akufo efri oman Ghana 87.9 akonya kese so na ofa oman Ghana sika $1 1 cedi na chese winya just around $1 ya trust ya ma tamels aba beto aso ebra obaye we 1 Ghana cedi na dollar no utimi nya 1 cedi about 66 pesos ye didimu abiye de koy at the time 2016 December John Dramani Mahama ebeji free atamels ho na owie no na the dollar no asat 2017 na dollar 4 cedis 58 pesos. And we Ghana, we America $1 now all the copper Ghana cedi. What's for 1 cedi, 2 cedi, 3 cedi, 4 cedi, and sana now the 52 pesos aka ho and sana when a year America dollar no bako. And no near the cran near ma ya dear bibia our Ghana ha. And in fact, Sassika way and a trend near ma ya ton wa Ghana hano ne bo said ya bekwa kwagina. Abusanfo na Aduanaba Akufo-Addo babeji 4 cedis 52 pesos. Even at that time 2016 year to aba na wo ma dikan ka kire John Mahama say we are incompetent oni mama muo wa bon anu nti na dollar no edi mika edwane yeti na Aduanaba Akufo-Addo 2016 ansa na Ghana 42 mi ba sensa
$1 1 cedi. In the time of Mills and Mahama 2 cedis $1. If I was done, I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. But that is not the people we're dealing with.
Abusanfo where na Aduanaba Akufo-Addo in opposition. Bra wa tiechire obi a why foreign affairs minister da attorney general just apparent him the lawyer still just wonim dia na otiechire kan na to so as a opposition leader na all pachow on behalf of the sitting president say one must say Ghana na one man na we $1 o kopesidia this around that time kwa okasa no na around 3 398 na around 398 you to about we ya jump call sa 452 and he was begging for Ghanaians. So Ghana for John Dramani Mahama ya incompetent. When ni just remember when ni mo hwe wa abon the only hode and inti oba ama said ya be ya sidi ni be gina na boa ma Ghana dwadifo ehwo ato wo. Dr. Bawumia I'm so sorry was say nyame anim no he said ya niam si kwa eniam bebre na ekoso sidi no Ghana sidi under John Dramani Mahama na according to Bawumia is the weakest currency ewo abibimamu nyina. And Dr. Bawumia was the deputy bank of Ghana. And the Wusha boss Tata Bawumia Ghana sika yesaya na nensa esan so bi. As a deputy bank of Ghana do baby crown or rise ya ba be do nanim e kan nipa ba akopɛ na nka Ghana sika na yedie no na Dr. Bawumia nsa yete Dr. Bawumia and asem way that was somewhere 2013 yete no.
The Ghana cedi has obtained the dubious distinction of being the weakest performing currency in Africa at this point in time. Interestingly, the NDC Green Book claims exchange rate stability as one of their unprecedented achievements. In an open economy with market determination of prices, exchange rate movements are the most important indicator of underlying macroeconomic fundamentals. As the saying goes, when in doubt, observe the exchange rate. The lesson from history for governments is that you cannot manage the economy with propaganda. In fact, you can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. The of free fall that we are seeing with the cedi exchange rate is a vote of no confidence by market players in the management of the economy.
I was for way a deputy governor Bank of Ghana, the running mate then to Nana the Danko Akufo-Addo and the vice president or some no kind of or say or maybe we cedi dollar national exchange rate say ya pounds ya euro that time no not cedi to dollar na you for Ghana cedi now per dollar na 2.96 chenie pa na baba be do about 3.2 et na ejane na eko. And Dr. Bawumia say oman no mpanimfo ka so oman ni mu ye monto mo boase Ghana koyi a memo bia winim hwe wa bon te se Kofi Asante a to boase na hwe se de Ghana cedi no ene ukoto aman sika say francs for sika no ukope pounds ukope euro ukope dollar se de esi dwane no da bia ye tumu ana na wotwe bia ye tumu no eno na ma hu sa amamwo na aban ni bu no wabon wonim hwe bon 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 Dr. Bawumia asemo kan ye ena abusanfo Ghana fo gina so say Dr. Bawumia say amebi edu sam pempenso na a vote of no confidence ai wa ban ni mu kire say wo ma bon wo mu ni hwe inti etwase industrial players eto abadi tia wo mu fi so ma bon that was Dr. Bawumia owie ye ena Ghana fo e ka kire ne say ne Domama wa bon Kofie Mahame wa bon go home. Your argument for flat. We are incompetent, John Mahama. And one no. And your Pamo John Dramani Mahama. And Dr. Bawumia Baye. In fact, Dr. Bawumia Baye. Now, Otna Sino Fred Ghana for Ghana for economic management team. I work. I dibu my Ghana no. Obi amon in Semaye. Obi amon in Semaye.
That President Nana Akufo-Addo has indeed replaced incompetence with competence in the management of our economy. One man or one person cannot manage an economy. President had to put together a team. And when I look at colleagues seated in discussion during cabinet meetings and other meetings with ministers, it is just humbling to see the galaxy of competent men and women that the president has assembled. Furthermore, when I look at the economic management team, it is quite clearly a fantastic team. Professor Jambafo, Dr. Akotose, Dr. Afriye Akoto, Honorable Alan Chiramanting, Boachi Ejako, Ken Oforiata, Senior Minister Yao Osafo Mafu. What a solid team. In fact, can anyone remember the NDC economic management team? I am sure they themselves cannot remember who their economic management team was.
I mean, fun to down pay. Sir, at the time of Ghana, COVID buyer. Nyama nyina cause where no kra COVID abehawiase a Ghana ye ka ho yentimi emfansie obi obeka sa bia say COVID me ha yen na onim ne oka Russia Ukraine yes ababa affect yen ama America dollar na nya ahoden other currencies ekọ obi ade ekọ but the rate ye bi say obisafo the rate me ntie me ba be come about revelation bi Yentia, a said the economic fundamentals and Dr. Baumia borrowing your word a weak. Nana fundamentals in a week, the micro and the macro a week and a nano pay. I suppose you are Mr. President. Ufa Ghana City 4.52 as of 2017. Yeah. 2018 Ghana City 8 Ababedu 4.6. Yeah. 2019, Yababenya Ghana City 5.2. 2020, Ghana City Ababaya 5.61, 5.85 within that period. 2021, Ghana City estate say ekosoro teniye pa. As of 2021 December, na obato Ghana City around 6 cities, 40 pesos, 6 cities, now 80 pesos, 90 pesos. Not just a record. Until within the first 4 years of Nana Aduanaba Akufo-Addo, at least the first 2 years, you say IMF say you manage the currency no, and stabilize. After 2 years, a status agent in some kosro ba. Abusanfo, where is the president of the republic? From January 1st, January 1st, yeah, to aba man another Akufo-Addo in the second term, and a city ne started say, a so become. Say, me no work say as we speak, CD to $1. Work mama in the various forest bureau and then black market. Around 9.89, 9.95, 10.2. I just say, and then I'm now. I some your team says and say every day 10 years per Ghana City a day. It me able to me appreciate more than 5% every day. Ada obeda sorry biano. The last 3 months, but every day obeda sorry no. Na Ghana City no ekosro. For the first time in the history of the republic, in less than 6 months, Ghana City are depreciating more than 65.2% ever in the history of this republic. 6 months.
I will serve the public interest with courage. I will speak for greater justice as well as compassion, and I will call for responsibility.
I am calling for responsibility. So where are your economic management team Nana Oda? Dr. Baumia Moda. I am no say yes, we are say economy no eco, but we can do it. And I'm going to prove it to you what we can do. And
fellow citizens,
dollar accounts be. Look at this.
Fellow citizens,
look at this. Who $1 account? Can we solve Ghana dollar problem? I was measures way. ye $1 account we solution me $1 account Enrich me cost some dollar obi say o per $100,000 menya bi di amount ye won kofo bebre egu ho and $1 abrante wa ka chem say Kofi MPs ministers abamu panifo na de dollar ne bra yen na ya sesa de ama wo mo pawuska ye won panifo okrom ha they don't do anything de omo ya ne say omo tam dollar no na omo sesa omo adwuma omo ya no the personal interest asesia awura na nado dan kwakofo ado amamu mu you are watching and you are not doing anything about it yeah koso sesia wo Ghana ha no adwadifo Dr. Baumia say a vote of no confidence said near ekoso no abana bon
fellow citizens
there were maya all the banks Dr. Oforiata gu banks nyina Ghana banks tenio I'm telling you one secret dear dollar ye Ghana banks nyina local banks nyina anasesia aka Nigerian banks aka foreign banks entisa banks ni nyeska wiak na o masesa na o ma abeto dollar na free Ghana ha ni atam ne de ko
this is my
Nigeria
pledge.
business tycoons Nigeria economy so pro into business tycoons person omo ye transaction a omo nya omo ewo ho na omo ba Ghana na banks na ye Nigeria banks na bebre ye shareholders ewo Ghana ha no ni asesa ye dollar na ye de ko Cote d'Ivoire ene ye man for $2 na ye de egu kam na ye de atwam akoye neighboring border people are watching and munim we nyina ano akwala private market say this is what is going on abusafo se si asa Ghana no mo de ato pilot obia yinani ye ni any pragmatic measures ye take Dr. Baomianka address us let's my hu e se si awoda sorry ya na dollar no kosoro businessmen are crying Nana, everything is coming down to a crash. Na adwadifo a ewo edwam esu anopai se nana se saade we toa so abusafo munteni ye se de seed ni depreciate economy no we you $1 ubenya 10 cedis just a 10 cedis as an $1 say it was the next 5 months and 3 months cry now here whole businesses ebe collapsing crash baby I got do no abusafo do amana no etom because ya general ya tekroma labianka chief council of state member or two president for her special prosecutor ntoko omane ne ku GRA Omo say duty a trust ko mu tue nyina kwa no omo tua do two mampanifo wo mu tufo na ukọ brewu a wo so mpafe na de nam o mampani wo mu tufo ye nti se obi aba abonten ma me ne da so ato ye council of state and one wan kasa wo special prosecutor eko these are the issues ekoso manfo wia Ghana ye importu nkoko ye importu we abra ye wo ayi ye ne aye Boris bi no mo krom ha ye betimi empower wo mo say abusanfo let us grow and eat ye ne aye ne ma into da bia ye kra nkoko force ofadampam nkoko aye from ofadampam and ye do omoba every day ye do ofadampam and ba krom ha aye we
fellow citizens
Ghana baby you do no yesika the last time aban kokwaje $750 million ye dey ba be so for line swami interchange near the finance minister the come na say be say Ghana ye reserve aka $3 million say yentimi anya sa $750 million na ma meka ho a yentimi ntu adwuma foka Ghana will crash
fellow citizens
ya jiska ni wiye no musan kom na se wadwan kokan se da bi na aka esika no $6 million nti anya no kre almost statement om de kwa Mr. President what are you doing you are failing no nana there baby aduo no let us say it said yesitie ade na yehu adwadifo mazi entimi nkokwan so wo mo central market entimi nkokwan so ene wo sesa sika ade ache ya wo mo import cars everybody is crying what is going on Mr. President
abanu so enye so muma eska ye de ejuma ya kasa ne ye bre ye hu ne ye hwehwe ska ne ye de ejuma no na tafra che ye de nyama no baso a no mo abe yeduti no chichichi no mo afasika no mo di twaye kom iti say to me kobi o donanu okoso iti ade ebeka che nana akufuado ye panocho omo hwe no mo hwe dollar no ba fom
me dem dey economics for that one omo twan say ye wo unim say wuli ya wode obe ko hedge sika me di efedi ko hedge e wo 4.5 say ye sika yi ye de ekosoro be fom o ye beto $4.5 e be ma businessman what me plan yi say see am me plan you because all the 5 city ko plan ya one hedge 7 city but ye hedge
observe the ordinary man in the street and a man no say ya hedge Ghana city to your dollar and say ya Ghana e ko say ye beto ni say
Enam
ajabo muntie dangerous analysis for her so now wo 1 billion 100,000 10 pounds asset last year December $10,000 now we 62,000 and I said 64,000 and 66,000 krana now benya $10,000 so $10,000 asset 2021 now 50 at $500 million we are bet menya $10,000 and now me no kasa no pay so be get $10,000 I just weigh you 1 billion 1 billion now be you know your best amount less than just 55,000 penny also
Enam amamua enkoyi ya mabo Ghana
Mr. President eti dwadinia na ni dwetre $10,000 no se sia wa ni sika no asa ama just we here another $10,000 and also here another 1 billion and san wetimia kwa akosesan se sika no and dollar in the history of the republic Ghana sika bia ni ho akosora Asante aba for more than half brother ntina na dan kwa akofo with your economic management team one here you go down in the history of this republic so who and how far Ghana dollar 4 cedis 52 pesos every koko wie 10 cedis per dollar my God this is dangerous for this country now say way at twaso na yentimi manage what can we do why is Dr. Baomia and now the Danko Akufo-Addo with team now no mubu man where are they can you have emergency meeting Ghana is in state of emergency call a meeting not the woman transcend kase baby adro no abusafo everybody heads on desk my young who baby ade Ghana echo this is dangerous for Ghana
Enam amamua enkoyi etino akonde
this year be better Ghana hina yesika no Ghana cedi is the worst performing currency in the whole world we Sri Lanka at the free work Ghana cedi no aye time asan cedi bia our Ghana we are say the question is odwadini a wotie me na opa wo maazi your central market me mama a wotie me na na do Akufo-Addo oto aba ma not say be pesca shed bottom dabi but aba ye to ma wo no na no da a wudi 100 days e wo akonya so Dr. Baomia say oche dollar no e de share IGP ne lock mu a woto mu where is the key
under the NDC government of 2013 to 2016, it was 18%. Under Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, it is, for the first 3 years, 8.7%. So, you see from this table that the cedi exchange rate under the MPP from 2017 to 2019 is twice as stable as it was under the NDC from it has depreciated by 50% less, right? We are twice as stable under the MP. And you should know that under the NDC, our currency was basically depreciating at the speed of Usain Bolt. Now, a 2 Mirikapa. Under the MPP, we have arrested the rapid depreciation of the city. And we will make no apologies for that. We have arrested the rapid depreciation of the city.
Observe, Dr. Baumia, says, I am telling you. And now the Danko Kofuado, your men need not to assume argument not fall flat. Sesia ye kasa sesia obia wako kwanso and of course sa dollar ya asai asan akwakofa benchmark value a buy asan ama sesia dwadidi bia wo Ghana
87.9 Kumasi
obi odi dwa bia wo Ghana aboka obia wo temi bia ya mu bi ni eto ne ama kakra ye nyina e kasuso ana da hono nti sa ukoto ka $24,000 now towing ebi abe 190 and I say 150,000 and our last December year anonym so scan at the ho obesa kwa akoto fra just so pay another over 150 200,000 eka ho ansa yay John Dramani Mahama nanu ya no obisa wo so Dr. Baumia ewe he.
It takes innovation and smart thinking to be able to do all these. They hadn't been in government before. They were very naive, asked 170 theoretical questions. Then today you come and set up 40-man committee to understand why the forex is. I mean, first year university students will tell you why the CD is declining against foreign exchange. And so you don't need that forex committee. We all know why it is depreciating. If you have higher demand for foreign exchange against supply, it will depreciate. If you have an economy that is import dependent and you're not exporting enough, your foreign exchange position will depreciate. You don't need a committee to come and tell you this. A lecturer friend of mine, and I'll publish an assignment he gave to first-year economic students, and he asked them, if you were on the 40-member committee, what would you assign to the CD depreciation? And they did the assignment and they analyze it. I have a copy. I'll publish it on my Facebook so that everybody will see. First year university students have analyzed why the city is depreciating. Why do you need a 40-man, committee to tell you why the city is depreciating?
The only person I got for you every someone and it's the first year student our economics 2 and our class be catch us say who import na we export here ebekoso yey omaya yama kwan mo bia $1 no man for to edisie etodisie and these are the politicians omo tonom de sie no matter because they are making the country from it
Ennam amamua
enko you are the president the akoso ya yenya no ye bia Ghana for bi sase sa bossa na wo say yes Ghana you ba ma obia opa Ghana for chew on behalf of John Dramani Mahama Dr. Baumia indicators no say yan kan to just say fundamentals near weak now you are being exposed by the city the exchange rate
It's my solemn pledge. I see exciting times ahead.
Any dollar no echo I do the four mutie me na no pay Ghana ni bia wutie me a wuti dwa kofa niam waboka on behalf of Dr. Baumia me pa Ghana for achew me pa Ghana for achew e di ama bia say ba bia duro no said that by the next ending of this month na president ma monten sa I do bia me $1 accounts na mo kan de enu ba bia yay akwala when kwala approach of managing the dollar say mo bia me account na account be be gu on miska do egum yay how do you even check it now the dollar say Ghana city say brother be measures as mo bia anko bia $1 account
Sikaso omenyo hiama
where the economic management team Mr. President baby aduro no giant bia o sit down manage sit down and manage the economy work on the city to dollar adena yehu aye dangerous enya good ye ni ayi chobo ebone campaign ni meetings ni opening on commission of niamaniama bia baby aduro no ato ado afampe to bra me mazi fosu central market fosu wo bia wo di dwa bia wo krom ha osu car dealers everybody adia na dangerous say see adia Ghana for mama me na because who die adia chi ana dollar no yatum etimesre ebe ya me na who tata who die adia chi abekona dollar no yatum who die adia chi abekona yatum every week yetimi tum this year nkwa ya to dollar nimu dia aba beka ho cedi to dollar 3 cedis 52 pesos within 6 months ever in the history of this republic adan
Itisikaso omenyo yama
Ghana cities antano no yanya $1 nana
itisikaso omenyo yama
emfama ayi ofori atawo se wantimi amadeji wu nkofo na wa ma Ghana ye city to dollar na nyina na de ekoso ya na ekoso na dwadifo at the time I won't feel konya to 2024 na Ghana ye ni businessman ba akokra ukroma all because under your watch wa ma un team no ya aware say yes we are say ayedin effect no ho currency be ekofo but the rate at which a Ghana currency say no time na ehu ana on tese obeye ho adwuma no ye na because Ghana citizens say awda obeti wani no na san huru koso ntie de ye na ma obi adabi otumfo say obi anto abama obi awu ye wona Ghana fo ato abama wo e na no pay I am addressing you, Mr. President. Work on our city to dollar depreciation. Dangerous for this country, and something must be done.
Ghana for Obama and Aduanaba for the Yantua money per account will be 2 million at the man watch it be a move. It can say woman watch a charm will be anywhere I did to me man no count. It's me nana no. When himself no free to nipper to one I nimbra me new up. Adam no near free fan 77 and son I was up by my boy now. Nana a champion water tower over London. Yaman no nana namni ko jenya techinom ansa na usaba ya moba bejina biwa ansa ya sabe ane poti he. Approach ba ya me lawyer no me no na ko ni nyina. Ani akwa abapim no. Enu anso mkrofo be ka kire to won po asem. Enso wanyi antum wo ka se da bi se dem sine na tie de ntesa me de kakra ne se me de futupa nam de be ma wo. De Ghana fo pani adwuma, de pani ayahwe, de pani nkoso, enu ana ye hwehwe. De to aba ne wie ya ye bobo se wawen. Obi jina TV3 so wakache nipa na wasi una TV company mfo no kodwa mahama wakache nsa abane de komne abufuo na toye na asa akọ na ado so wakache nsa komne abufuo so no so ba no anya de komne abufuo be sa ato wo ho nimbe ye wadre wu mpesika ye review enti sese ku hu na ye adwuma no yi edin ku ana sese wo pe de be odin be komu sa ampase wo mampanyi bi ba na efre na ado da wo ba be ye Ghana yi.
Fellow citizens,
for higher Kuma 87.9 FM. That was the address to the president. Bidin the Aduanaba Kofi Asante in Pacho Sebia Uti enia. We a wonsum jumedie. Your most authoritative weekend political show. And Uti Mino. Yes, and none of pay more share live on Unia TV. Facebook page Akuma 87.9 FM. Oko Facebook page. Facebook page Aduanaba Kofi Asante ubetimi asache no part of the discussion. Simon Kwansa PPP Asante regional chairman. And we have all the interviews I know be. And Simon bibi aboko there.
Kofi nyame adom egusu kakra.
You say you are a businessman. Dealing cars and those things. Business costing the city to dollar.
We no pay mfanchi ama ahwefo ne atie4 Onua TV ni Akoma FM na ya kasa nyamisha mo adwuma mo ye fi se mama ade ne ni da honom se ni da ho a yesi se kro 2 na se ebe mi kro no kra na e wo se ye de ade France ade ye di kan pepe ni ma ni da ho ansa na ye de aduru na ye de atare so nti wadwuma wo ye no ma ni da ho mi ehunu se situation no sei netie na kwan be na be fa so a ye be ya ma na ye yi nti nyame nhia for that wadwuma mo ye na ya ka se PPP so no ye wo ho ayetoto niema kakra se nyame be ya dom na de we de na do ye oman ya ama businesses nyina egu ya Kofi duru ba bia na wabama bu na obroni be ka say all hope is almost lost because udwen ho a nhunu se nyansa omo ye se omo de bebu oman no na atonsuo mu se de omo pese omo ye no na enye ye o se obi su na ye oman no udwen ho a wonte ase na de ya wo mu no se okoka bia yesi wasema wo ka no enye papa ana wo nim ne wo ka miwa wo nim de wo ka na wo susu ye de ade na ma o se ye no wo susu ye hu ba bia wo ye ade na ye de akosi. You talking about businesses. Say oman mu ha Kofi chirame business ba kwa ekoso oman mu ha eye won say obi ye business won say ekoso kama menya bia kan kire wa adwuma mienu pe omo boton su any drinks
okay
adwuma we sa na ma mienu we omo ye sa bottled water no
okay
any omo ye sa the same soft drinks no ni mienu
and on kwanda flourishing
na dey bio
87.9
adwuma be bio Kofi unya bi se bi bisa na me bisa yi adwuma ben because de wo ye bia no e wo se fuel o petrol sam ne ade de bia ade be chinda bia ye to petrol mu. And we have had this government for over 6 years. You say no more seat here no more mean. What has been the plan? What is the change? Said na Mahama government tia wo mutena chire ye de kasa ya na incompetent. Na say ne who kra competent team. Na waba na 5 years. Untimi ma de ntimi sesa. Na wo ka kire me say why ya dia ana ugusu awo ya. Yen kan say na nche She me a student of the Bible. Na me pese me read certain quotes be sure. You know why some of these things are happening. When you read Proverbs chapter 29 verse 2. Proverbs 29 verse 2. It says that when good people run things, everybody is glad. But when the ruler is bad, everyone groans. When good people run things, everyone is glad. But when the ruler is bad, everyone groans. Proverbs 29 verse 2. I don't know. Me sama wade foforo na me submission na me kan atiase. Proverbs chapter 11 verse 14. Before 2016, near what chairman be on nam Asante memu ha. Echo to Bible left and right. Also a political friend say Messiah or Bible just so many times.
Proverbs 29
verse 2. Also when good the kind I just want I've quoted it.
Atene for redos one oman no enije. Abonefo di so a oman no si apini. Why are you relating to this? No person church na where for one.
Na obi a so obi adwuma mu gu no adwuma pa won trim.
Why are we not appreciating the fact that we are seeing na say? Sa no be baby sa.
Enti me wi ase ne hin. Me wi ase ene Ghana, ene Asante man. Enti sa wo tia na aka che me say wi ase nyina ase enti no. Me njintum say wi ase ase enti no na. Da bi wo na wo ye leader, wo na wo ye panyina wo dama no. Enti say wo ntimi nya de nyina na aka che me say wi ase nyina ase ya. Ene wo ntimi dia jai ma de obetumi no. Wo mra me ye. Chesem na me kan na ye kan no. Wo say nie oyotene ni no. That means somebody who can do it better. Because of say wa bon ti no ana wo ntimi nya ni ye enti na de no ye nyina ye bre. And that is what is happening. Mesado Proverbs chapter 11 verse 14. Also for lack of guidance a nation falls, but victory is won through many advices. For lack of guidance a nation falls, but victory is won through many advices. And Proverbs chapter 13 verse 10. Eso Sakacha say, arrogant know it all. Stir up discourse, but wise men and women listen to each other's counsel. the best make Kenyan said Dibiamba. I am a Casasim no. But now I want to back it with biblical quotations so that you will know the air can hear. This NDC MPP issues, yeah, my mua, my friend almost said they know it all.
Okay.
They know it all. Assembly of can be an own few, or not the ono nimuno, and no one or becca. And then I've given you the quote that says that the arrogant knows it all. Woman, one day know the all yano, and no one know. Now a winner takes all. She say a winner knows all. Also position ye catch us idea kwaku ye and yet nana baby audi and namon a hot tro men adwuma ya also kosomi galamse ya also person yeni fafa also there be banking what they call it banks ya we don't say ko can say o revoke a man for license yi wo be say a man for ndwuma enti na be ya fasika wura mu na guide wo mo na ade ntimi nya adwuma because a local economy. Because banking sectors and banks are no way money and your foreigners. A Ghana for na juma or a Ghana for banks. A Ghana for na galam say no such China for na you free ma. Give it to Ghanaians na ye man leadership. Ye ma control mechanisms na dey juma say there be maji men fimo. You know it all.
Okay.
Ana enne what don say ko kan what sense anwuma yi nyina. Eno na ya de bonyefo a wo mu ebu man no. Because obi say obi ye tenene no be dream pa Kofi wadwuma wo ye ne se nkoye a or the niema to akwam that is leadership say yen fa na menjin free nsam nsen no
and that is leadership. Ahaya Koma HS7.9 FM sounds na wo share live on Onua TV. Wonsum dwumadi ne ye din komo na ya hwe kwan ya be fa so Ghana be adu ne ye nyina ye be siesie no ye hwe yisikasem ye hwe apomdie no na ye hwe se ye nso ye da yebetimi asore yakwa adwuma ye ho be ye den ye be ye bibia etwase yetimi ye ade ba ko ehia pa wonipa ene se yade emonto wo sika se na wo yare a wo ye den yara wo yare and no matter ska wo intimi fa anko ba bia ne saso ntino me da bia me transise ya na me ne metifo ne mahwefo ya hwe se for duada bi sibe me da obididi benom ba utifia eso unya strategies kakra ubitimi dia hwe apomden aninti power specialist hospital ha me aminu aba fe me huna che and me kaisa since 2010 who no say ya no that sotie my penny no from to say I'm not surprised power specialist because there be a hofe and the otia na otie nyame yeshira
amen
anopay de na yensua wo ye weekend a yetifie yapomdim
da wase ebru no kwase minie wonso krasa na wonso ti o
da bisem se yen no nkrokro ano se nya ka na bebo yen edan na bibu aboy yen yegu
Akuma FM
87.9 pa se nya ka na bebo an edan na bibu aboy yen
Kofi no point when it ya say no de sebi eburu mimi ye herbalist na no kwase minie de bia ya na meka masem se mi wura bibiduro mu no magi nyankopon adi papa na se no kra se mimi ye herbalist na enuane na nyamisi ye nie no ye wi ayemfa ha ne nsa yare no ma anya ne sa na mi kodi ngongomu nuane bia ege se man se nyame ni nyam de bia me ka me si mi wura heba no no ma ti nyame asema se prekope echire se nro no kwanya nyame fa sudi nro no ma ye ne se nro no se
87.9 Kumasi
ye adwuma no ama mi suro nyame mo ti no kwase mi ni emi angasa de no kure me nam se mi ye bibremu nipa mi din ha no mi wie nso anama no mo ha nro no
na de bi nso asayade
na me de bi nso asayare nye sa de ase emwa na nipa wuti wi ase sebe wudi chemicals wo wi a wasa no chemical wo so wonye robot wo ye nipa
I see.
We nipa se wutumi kona wuba. Ye didie ne na ha ye titiri no. Ani nti me kan fo ma obi bia sese wonim se e na afensu bi o wani tua se hebaten heba Mr. na ye immune booster papa no. Ya pomde so afo bra ba se oni che ko de ba ya. Ani tia se me kra ene na aye me de se ne wo bia ni aba immune system so. Enga na nipa ni immune system, o immune system so kra ene de. se see radia dum obi ni aba immune system so na sabe yenum nyina se frontliners na nka covid ba ye ngane se yetete he eso wote se yesi akoso adua ya na ye ambulance na kofa na wote bi se menum he batten
nti won kwanso na Ghana ha Ministry of Health ne World Health Organization to recommend yes munya duro mayene a the boost the immune system. I think I commend you for that. My idea.
Oh, me that's it. Swati.
Now, Obi
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Nejuma inti wonya dajinya. Power specialist. Your number na fe yen twan komo so.
That's it, bro. Your numbers na yeti. When it you say ye bibia is simple. Eti misro se bidie na okuta fa sign ho. Se phone de kita wa bogu so. If you say nipa de e beto da no na bia na toto na ato kwan so. Na oba hia se obenya number no na wonso atwi anamo. Ezan se when it you say hepatitis A B C D D. Ni titiru B na ni edin no. Obia be kire osafa power. Wa sore ba wo sofo wo doctor nurse obia be close for power anything no kwase maybe kura no obi na
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi
on se liver no kwa no lunch ne ho se bra ne wo ahohiehie mu no anything gi number no ne fama obi a wo ne ho akire no obi adia ye no na hepatitis pese kunu ne de ne konse do no numbers ne ye 0244 54 44 22 0244
I give a power specialist heba omo number near the to no mo share yen o TV so tie radio Facebook page and pacho number ne to na no ohini bi catch e go fi memfa adamfo a nsan
Akuma FM 87.9
adamfo enya semansan wa fada for adamfo ansan we nya sem enti men ko hwehwe number yi
when obi agjo
yes ebra we yare nemum emre ya crowd on yare kwatwa number de to e chena immune system dey say ni kwan say we yare kransa da bia ese wonum nti wo ho a na numbers ni bi e wo ho asem ba ya no afa phone no afre pacho bobo number di bi
0244
power specialist about 0244
54 44 22 and 0200 38 and 31 0200
number 87.9 Kumasi
0200
38 and 31 and 0555 and we WhatsApp line.
Oh, okay, we WhatsApp.
I'm
0555
79 78 0555 79 78 Bajo arefo ne yetiefo sambre hospital no ejina mu gidigidi.
Oh, okay, me dey na.
Oh, ejina mu papa pante me sorry ya na me kwaso ye ho. Eni ntini no kwasem ni se hepatitis na eteti wo. Afi se typhoid osa beifo yare no ana asiatica ye nkasem no mpem wo to ase no sisi aso na ntini no na eteti wo. Sambre kompo pa na show minim egu animasio obi jiukunu den obi joyere komponti komposo so de sebe enga zuban ho yade na abeto won so won sese nipa nyina esresero twia na mo na bra sese ya na ye gina mu gidigidi obanso abeba abeto over Kofi woni twia se nye hebaten ko ne yade abedwa so
sure
yade cough care motiti afidi ani mi bo se to da wo minimu enkoyie kura na no wanhwe ya wakoma ibe ye wo ya wabo ya o na wakoma atwi se krim odi ho anye wo den na twia na mo ne kope cough care ni nso bi ne to ne nom wonnom ye be huhuru minimu ko no ma hohoro akoma no ho ama sebe wani nyina agya ma won so ho atom enna adua ya malamis ene de to obata adua ya na me de odo wasem jamia enye betesa
adua ya
ntino adua ya malamis ene adua ya tonic fever pa ya ye fredi se ebunu ena achi wo wonum ye onwono wo twu mu uti ya funu ya odenna wo wo so sa fever timi titi ni pa wan ya na fever na ko me malaria ɛne nti tua na mo ne kope bito na tonic na ye dua ya tonic nso na no ka ho iba bebre ye te ase ewu ahoɔden ni wo mu sanse wo mu ga nyina no awe ye kɔbɔ wo mogya kora wo no madua ya mala mesa nyame nti bibia be ye kama na fe jirika jiri no
no ye mema no
woni tua ejatwa to atete na doso na be ma de sentini ni mu da ho na bo adwuma
mogya ni die fusan
se saade woni ma de friend se fat afi be ma no sokora adwunso dodo niema nko yie entini ni nyina akeka bom tia na mo jirika jiri de yetu ye bo ase ni siesie eni nti ye adwuma yi ntini
oba ye be medro de na chese tumi wo
na wo sha
when best say ye adwuma no it's the best and I think say me kasa some da bia me di adanse we say me de obi ana me wo fida dam hepatitis B I think 2010 or 2011 no okwa abruchi okoye ne test ne bi once e frimu mo tankoi and me ana oba be hu me e be din komo say ana bae na me wo fida dam a and ti da bia me hu ana makai me hu ana makai
so me ye boni aso
oh yes me hu ana makai and da bia he's always grateful me nua ba ko is ya UK for Timo Amoshe TV ni the numbers look screen any but utie radio yam fa entudwa biem na fi yen kire ye kira kwan na yen to ankomo no so
da wase 0244
54 44 22
0244 54 22 and 0200 38 and 31 0200 38 and 31 and 0555 and your WhatsApp line
55 and your WhatsApp
79
78
0555 78
okay now funny wo Kumasi nkran
mpacho yo ye wo kwabenya ewo nkran asesi ya wo hwe me ACP road no so wo de ba bia wo nam bia bo modin na duru pokuase interchange na se na kase me kwabenya ufruka na kase mesi wo power bus stop ye power specialist ye bus stop kama fefefe bi esi clinic na nim pepepe na Kumasi nso ye wo fiase Lake road no so pe ye oni just blow filling station na directly opposite and Takra den so ye Anaji estate ye ben Ahantama rural bank no e ben Anaji primary and JSS no wo bo modern na otwe be ye ne ya de ya ye friend say ya de onyame adum so ye nam ye nu papa me kire nu papa ya hoodini wo mu ya na nipa bebre so mo mpa bibidru na opede aduane aye di ni na ya bibidru nya do akora ya bibidru ntosi ya bibidru ada wunim sentosi wo prostate na wo any sort of cancer utimin di enyetin tomato
tosi papa ya tinu
e kan etimi breast cancer cells as papa eti nuane na yedie na yedi hwe nyarwa no enti entena se na nkase sebi uchire bibidru esanse se wokone saade a emwa ese dwunso ya wadwunso kakra se wo be ye ne den na akọ egi se bibidru ne be ye free na binum so kra dwunso no etwa It's infections like chlamydia, syphilis, gonorrhea, any kese nipa bebre ntimi nyunso kanena me kase memma nkwana ntimi nyunso e
man be your problem
ye di roba chese wo mu fim ene wo ma ya ase chese gunso ne makora wo kamusa ne twase ye di roba se e di ntine sese basa abibiduro be ya adwuma mo wadwunso free ye ta wa ya ase na edi unya na ase di nti ewi wona sese wuntumi nante a wona ye tofo wona agina ho na etwetwe ni nyina abegai ama won so wade ho
now obi penro ni bia obabroni na no yedi nkomo na manfo se san prehwe wani mbiem so ba kokko de ede ya omboda
ba kokko de kani ana kra yedum na wo hwe ho se pe
enti wona fa kani ana kire no e fa ni benya bi ato na fi
ya enro ni de wokọ eye heba shop bie mu a obenya bi ato bubowura heba shop bia wo de wo se wo pe eduro ya ni nuro papa wo de aba edwaman so no me pa cha obenya bi ato na se ne me ma me di kai kai no yen ya so ye ho ne de che se ensankyereni koso ho pa na enkrofo nso edi adanse e ho papa onza na no me ba ye me ka se maami bi wose siatica no onim se eyade a eha adwene saa na ohwa no hu se osori ensori wotena se so entena se saa yade no che se oda ona na ode tu manim nam si o ene anamo metu ama na me de ne baye na wono a na no ohia no odi ho adanse papa enti power specialist herbal hospital de ye metena hankasa saa kwa omo nim ye no omo di ye ho adanse papa
yamfa numbers ne ntudwa na fe
ye number no 0244 54 44 22 0244 54 22 afi 0200
okay
0200 38 me pacho ye telephone number no ntino obetimi afre yen na sane me ye di kan akasa na bia na yade ne yanka wo de ya keka bia bate bia brand nti ntimi yanka wo de a wo de wo frɛ ye ne a na wo so yare na eda wo so no wo de atu ye ni
me da se mampeni anopɛ ye na wase
ndase buru
na nyame ya adwa mjiri se benyamre
ndase buru na de me kan se wo pese wo chain no wutimi di tu kom na wo so bo life kombo no ye ba e be kyire mu ye o wo se bi obi minimum amensere no yare bone ade a nimpum adia ne nkasem adia ne ma efa nani so wonam bibie nkwayi ai setarod no grants na ya kese ehurufuri woni mogya musa ene ma nkwayi emo mutua na mo na bra na powerful muntina yewo
eno ano na tefo ye beda mase begiri se power specialist heba mo amohwe TV numbers no na go screen so no and mo so amutie radio number no 0244 544422 na why a part of the discussion. Haya akuma 87.9 FM. We need the Aduanaba Kofi Asante Ennin. Sami Jemfi ewufi ha. In the next few minutes, you need to be doing commerce. Sami Jemfi, the communication officer for the NDC at the national level. Simon Kwansa. Simon.
Yeah.
I mean to you. Now you didn't come more, and then I will can quiet businesses you go through, and I day you put the buying. So. Do you see any hope? Send you maybe me bounce back.
We hope the hope be any hope. The only hope we can have is to have a change of government.
Just like that.
I know.
What is the solution? The other chance a change of government, but we wait mama so.
Say Mama Samana before say me powerful name ban. Now me mark quotations be. Say T4 and answer for but Bako say Proverbs 11:14.
Okay.
I say, for lack of guidance, a nation falls, but victory is won through many advices. For lack of guidance, a nation falls, but victory is won through many advices. And then Proverbs 13:10 say, arrogant knows it all, stir up discourse, but wise men and women listen to each other's counsel. The entire may say, I just a change of government, but I need new hope. No, I say, I ban here to see. Ade omo ye nyina no enko ye
okay
oka omo ntie
okay
enti said the Proverbs 13:10 e ka che ono the arrogant knows it all wonim ni nyina ade ntia they say economy ya say ya business say churn obi asu ni ade nyina no obi a pointy finger at the Minister of Finance, the Ministry of Agriculture anye bia sam papa for me anyway, and then Ministry of Trade businesses Ministry of Trade aduane aye dia inflation sama yesu ni aduane boy de na ye hunu de ye nya aduane ni bi Ministry of Agriculture, and the chief of it of all friends the Ministry of Finance. And these three people have become arrogant. They knows it all. And no nipa o mine mu ya eti o mine mu na ye Philippines ne ka che say o ma panyin se sasanko foi na o mo ama ye ho kire ye mo so ka che say you have the men anye bia mpo no anye bia no ye nim say 2000 yenya o man panyin kufo aban mu no yenya ministers ne nkofo bi o mutimi ye ne ma bi ba ama focus adwuma o ma ye die o ma ya de enti you have the men no change them na ka ye mfa nkofo fo bi ye de embra no mo we se bi o mutimi abo a ukotena radio station so aka che say am for your jobless and am for pay way. Until you want to say that he knows it all.
Okay.
Until at the end of the day, no say discourse no one de beba and a discourse is in an I my basa. Do you want to egu obi esu enti me the kama quotation back 29:10 Proverbs one or say when the wicked rules the nation grounds. Enti let us say asem just a change of government ba.
Thank you.
It's a change of government nipa no say once say obiya de obeya na obeya enye osunya na abiado anya betwa o man.
It's just about 39 minutes, 39 minutes past 8. Haya Akuma 87.9 FM live on Onia TV, and maybe I will be Sami Jemfi, the National Communication Director for the NDC. Sami, maybe I will call there. Together with Nuruddin.
Yes. Of course. Of course. The Asante Regional Communications Officer. Any opinion about also Musali.
87.9 Kumasi.
Communication Officer.
That's great. That's great.
The only communication officers in the constituencies and the regional communications team, constituency communications team. I'm not paying me chair. And Sunny be media yababidi no sentimentum na akwenya bam yetumi ehia adwendwen party no.
I know as a why you're too busy in Asante region from Monday coming. What is the problem?
You Kofi dedikai ma memfa enchia kase ema wotiefu nyina ene wonwa ohwe ewo
Onia
the various television stations and social media platforms.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Enyabone. Ni nyina ne se Samre NDC amanyuko ye yesi wo se ye de be ye dwumadi awbro ni frɛ no membership drive.
Okay.
E wa sentimentum ha.
Membership drive.
Na sa abrofo kakraka na de chire nyina ne se ye be ma ho kwan. Na ye bie ye various registers ewo ye branches ewo asantementum ha. Over 7,000 branches. Na afofra wo pepa se obed join ye party no. Ya twere wo.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
New members for the twero.
Okay.
Intini ya wasantementum ha. Okay. Over the years ye nya calls omo boy punum omo frɛ bisa Medenya NDC membership card nibi. Medena my NDC member. Ye can say Samreno inni. The time is now. Yedi kind aye this exercise 14 regions. Ye the Ashanti region twin so because Ashanti region da NDC amanyuku yakoma sopa as far as the 2024 elections
okay. 87.9
Kumasi. And MPP no. Openness MPP for or multi manipulative system. And you say nipa so a war easy for register mu sentimentum hano. Omodoso party are the second highest in the whole of the country. And it is a opese we a babia or Ghana Ashanti region is key.
Okay.
It was your priority. In the area yeah Ashanti region the topmost priority of our priorities.
I see.
And that is why yakwa 14 regions in the now your human resources, your logistical resources, financial resources in boom about one region at a time.
87.9 Kumasi.
Say kunimdi na ye hwene betumi abamua. There was a NDC amanyuku na nkasa no. Enya hoden. Na party ni benya hoden so ani nyina gina ne fapem so foundation no. Na where party na the fapem no yem branches.
Yeah.
Omo nya pa. Party ni benya hoden, party ni benya tumi, ye to aba dodo a party ni benya ne polling station bia no. A function of how strong or weak your branches in here. Na obekaya enche cry di kan ba sentimentum ha.
Yeah.
No say adwuma na ye be no ye be ye hwehwemu bro ni say
okay
your branches
87.9
the resin to a wo branch system ni mu e bia ye wo problems e bia ye 9 executives e wo se ye nya no ye ni ana baby executives no wono kra no omunyo madwuma yie ana omu nhia ana ye ma omu training bia ya be yes assessments no investigations ni nyina na ye hu ni say I was said this time around the answer ye beto abayi executives so fro no
yeah
I was say enyema bi dikan ekoso sa nyema ne bebre akoso from but emri ene ye dru di ntwero so di ntwero we ni ye new members.
Okay.
And inti mefa wakenya kesi so. Na media kwanso media to Asante man nyina anim nipa ewa ha nyina anim se we ye Ghana ni na wadi mfie du nwotwe na wadwe mu da ho na uno amanyoku bi amprimprin se na wodon amanyoku bi kura wajai.
Okay.
Wo pepa se o join the National Democratic Congress. Ya katamanso amanyoku a emrenini.
Okay.
De wo hia ne se wo behwehwe wo mantemu a wote a ehɔ na woto aba no. Wo police station na woto aba no. NDC ya kache wo ho ye friend of branch. Ye wo branch mpanyifo ho.
Okay.
Bisa wona se na ko hu o memu wa hu sa mantemu no bra ye de twredin. For Krum constituency na me ye de mato ye di ntwere ni nyina na ye twere no emumre 4 ekosi anajo 7.
Oh, okay.
Enti ubisa ye bemu hu baby as e bi schools mu ni ehia bi ya sori e bi ye masalachi e bi ye dwom e bi ye kwan ho ube hu baby ye twredin no na wakɔ akɔtwere wodin. Se mantemu ho no nhye da nim NDC for ai wo ho no nti wonnya obi a obebisa no a wo de bisa se constituency kakaka ni na NDC office wo ni wo hefa.
Okay.
Because Asante mantemu aye wo 47 constituencies 47 ni nyina NDC wo constituency offices in each of the offices. Every constituency biano ye wo one office e wo ho eno nti okọ constituency office wa ye be bisa baby auto aba wo be boa ye de branch executives no kra number be den e be ma okọ a no wa ye den wa frɛ wo mo so that they will facilitate the process for you no wait me a register and okọ a wo nche because the process is very, very simple. Dien me ye gina so register
Akuma FM 87.9
we Ghana ni we di fidu nwotwe wa adwe mu da ho ono amanyoku bia ana wodon bi kura wajai a wo pese obeye NDC ni na wo gye nhyehyɛ ye so ye den etum e de na wo de kɔ e wo se wo de kɔ ekudi adanse o sa anyema we ho ni register wo be fa passport pictures mienu.
Okay.
No wa fa national ID card baako e de aka ho. The national ID card be me hu din with date of birth baby ne de keka ho. Enti ye hyehyɛ mu ka ye benya nka obi ade Ghana card ne be den e be bako. Wo Ghana card afa Ghana card no. Na se bibi nti unyanya wo Ghana card.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Passport ana birth certificate kura ana any ahyensodi a edi adanse se wo ye Ghana ni. Se wunni sa nkrata yi bi kura na wo adanse fo mienu e wo baby a wote a ombetuma baby di adanse se krachi o ye Ghana ni wadi mfi du nwotwe a wo de fa adanse fo ni
so with this Ghana card confirm and say ma to the importance to the electoral commission and Ghana for course any it was will be any Ghana card na ye de tra edin in 2024.
No. The change na say Ghana card ni wu hia. O say Ghana ni bi enya. Na say Ghana ni bi enya Ghana card no. Na ye say sa Ghana card no nko an ye be gina so de atwere din a achinya ni wo asem bi ani wo.
Okay.
But ye can say imprin NIA for no mo na register issue Ghana cards na say o mo register Ghana for a o ma di mfie edunum 15 years and above.
Yeah.
Now I heard the latest population census Ghana Statistical Service here in 2021 year na. E chese Ghana for imprimprint omadi mfie dunum ni akire no. Eko no.
Yeah.
Ya dodo eye 19.9 million. Kakakakra bi na 20 million.
Yeah.
But NIA say sika woni ni mfidia enso ene network challenges bi ntino. Enya de omatumi register sa 20 million nyina.
Yeah.
As at the end of July, no way to me register by 16.6 million.
Yeah. The last search was about 17
million.
Yeah.
Now 17 million no me register no crown. And you munyina so no mo de card amount. The last time I me check here na be a little over 13 million. And no me card.
Yeah.
Ti say no matimi de bia kan kra e more 14 million.
Sure.
Na just say you about 6 million Ghanaians Ghana card no mu bi. About 4 million or 3 million Ghanaians are omo to me register bi. Na dodo na so na nya omo person omo register. Na waka say we have waived their right. Dodo na no consider any challenges be a NIA National Identification Authority adwuma eku na ngasa enya infidie no a omu here to register to create registration centers in all communities no ebi ni ho afi na omo pesika be 300 million Ghana cedis na dia yes adwuma no omo yifu to sanfo kanu for ata ma omo be 180 million pe efa tisika no kro enya baby so all crowd media fidie ni ko ba be ko no fidie no internet na use we ko na network challenges do ko western north kuku na se ho na kura no bibiri wo a omakọ ho a omo the boss wa na wa omo register there was a problem with voter regions any nkuru nketo bibiri in the north and other parts of the country it because of that no Ghana for do na no any Ghana card ni bi it is a woka se Ghana card ebeye part of casa ye ba be trading fufuru ye betumi age agina so aka so bi ye Ghana ni wadi mfi du nwotwe ni register na obia no nko obia no be ya adwe bese wo ka se eno nko na wo beje na so obi ni anu bi a kire so onye Ghana ni a na je se awudi sem na wo timi no
so why na ye nyina ye fire ho odin to do the campaign push for resources and demand the NIA na ye ma o the next 2 years and fight it together na ka Ghana ni bi enye
now say the next 2 years na di ntwere na be trend the next 2 years
we have at least 1 year
no uhwemu a pa e was a limited registration cry ye bi ansa na afi we akọ na wie and we easy for planner early next year 2023 on be limited registration it was a one cause I will say ye nyina ye de hu shem ne ye campaign we will need about 2 years but the next limited registration exercise no e be far earlier than 2 years now work and nature say no matter the campaign you do you will never achieve even 90% coverage so what I say so there will still be Ghana for omundi card ni bi ti the year can say yes my Ghana card ni number 1
okay
but so the Ghana card ni bia I think we do if you do nwotwe oni Ghana card ni bi but our passport e dia dance so ye Ghana ni obetumi di the passport aba so what I say and now say obenya Ghana for Ghana ni ba ko a oye ni busuani ama na ba be di agina mu asuan se ampa asomesi ye Ghana ni ampa ye register no ana obenya nipa mienu ama ma ba be guarantee se onye ye busuani ba ye nim ne ye ne netemantamu ha oye Ghana ni ye wo ne wa ha ni ma me asomesi papa ni asomesi nti mu register no
okay
eno ye friend of guarantorship no and from 92 ye beto aba abato nwoma no mu di ntwira ye nyina sa system ne ka ho abatwa papa for we ne ye de omampenyu akufu adore ne ye de president Mahama are ne de president Mills are ne de Rollins are ne nyina ye de sanhye ne ye Ghana card ni mpo no tie mi yo Ghana card o check act 950 the amended law National Identity Register Amendment Act what you say yeah no 2017 omampenye kufu ado abreso ne yes amra na
okay
o kwa akwaje Ghana card na ye won krata bi a wo de koma ye ma ba ko ye passport
okay
Kofi Timaze
yeah
it didn't na metumi dem passport age Ghana card but mean to me for passport in kwaje voters ID card I just say menya Ghana card me patcho se bi previous we abawo because Ghana card na wo say no nko na wo beje no me the passport ne kwaje I was a passport na no na eso sa Ghana card aba no passport de me mpa je se Ghana card nko a se bi previous nyansa ni sa sebo
so
ye to so mienu ohwe mra na card foforo betimi bi akwa akwaje se ye driver's license ni NHIS card na free but our resident permit for foreigners who to me the resident permit ekwaje Ghana card ebiem o busuani ba ko family member ba ko a obetimi akwa swai on oath say we ye Ghana ni a ye be register wa ma Ghana card na woni busuani kura na wabusuafo nyina wu a ana ba bia wote woni abusuani bia ho ha na wonya Ghana fo mienu omo wo Ghana card omo so timi kuswai ma ye ma Ghana card enti na Ghana card na nkasa no kura no obitimi guarantee ma obi na wo say abato ngoma no di ntwiro voter registration dia obi ntimi guarantee ma obi aje so obi a wabɔ pɔbɔne so obi wia bem na wo person de basa ye ba Ghana ye asumdue man mu ne be kasa asem we so eno de mam eno tina ye de ne say ideally
how our communication ne say ye be wia bem why do we always think of so obi be wia bem
for okay why Debia Yakase Saji Menza Bosman Asare led Electoral Commission, Peso Ria Benimunese. Yaka Batu Kofi. Any event, a process. 7th December, a salad, the Ekoyano, and no near about one. And no, dear, the day for casting your ballot. But even before that 7th December, no, the processes leading to that election in Yaka about one. It is obi chinchim our processes, no, and the one party an unfair advantage. Uyabem. What's a Ghana card on Kwan and maybe a dance yes will be a Ghana ni our betray. But yet, your co-voter region, your fat districts never honor. Obi to say MP for the Kulukwami Abuja.
Yeah.
The district, about 80% of the people omuni Ghana card.
Are they?
Because NIA office no ko wa. Almost omuni mfidie. Omudi mfidie ne kra ba no mo ye registration, almost ye mfidie asay. Almost ye paper asan. Ye we asan. Internet in adwuma. So because of all these challenges, you know, coverage in that district, you know, is low. I was here to about NDC na rene. Now was a Ghana card name kwan na wo be gie to me register amount for na guarantorship where you free, passport where you free, all forms of national identification where you free. What are you doing? You are giving another party an advantage in that area NDC stronghold. Even in the allocation, NIA, you know, say easy. We Ghana mbemu a obi aniwa obetumi akyere EC na dwuma de wonye obi ani obetumi direct EC adwuma I just a court. They are not subject to the control or manipulation of any authority. But share the ekoso no EC say or the one national identification document pen be adwuma Ghana card. So identification document no so enye EC ni produce. A national identification authority ni produce, which is a wing of the executive arm of government. Or manpenyi and AUB or NIA so. Enti the executive arm of government they can dictate to the EC. Because they control the NIA.
And this control NIA before.
Yes, but time you control NIA, you know. Yanka say you the Ghana card on Kwan the it is a manipulating NIA system and a passport to her. You manipulating passport issuance system no so cry birth certificate to her. You manipulating birth certificate system no or birth and death registry cry na guarantorship for her.
Some way in assumptions.
And your assumptions. And your common sense.
As to say, Obi be detected. Are you telling me that
NDC, detecting and
NDC Electoral Commission, for instance, had worked under NDC time before? I also suggest this or teacher or ever.
We can't get to the point.
Get
the argument.
But
me say, how would they control EC for? They will control the EC because EC say ne uni Ghana card when you Ghana you want to do.
Yeah.
And if Ghana memo ne maba wa fe no manya mfie du ngotwe nyina ya ba betwere mu di through limited registration no. EC say uni Ghana card when you Ghana ni. Na me say Ghana card no so obi benya bia nya EC for na determine. A national identification authority, which is a government body controlled by President Akufo-Addo and Abaya, almost no interest in the election. And NIA card no registration issuance, they control it. Omo to make as a district be MFD nko. Ana yebema Asante region ye MPP stronghold infidie more yebema 1,000 yebema voter region 20 obi entimi administrative action. And me prepare here cuz that is what is going on. Opa, Momon published district by district coverage. What is the population, the registrable population of every district? As in, per the new population census, and the latest. Nipa, omo district be omedi mfie dunum eni echire. Omo publish omo number. No mon say nipa dodo as we speak, NIA fu etime register omo. Eni dodo omo etime ama omo ka. If you look at that data, we say MPP strongholds, NIA fu register nipa more. Because they prioritize those regions and sent more equipments there, and then you will see, say, NBC strongholds so registered because and no,
you should be above this. Hey, no, this is serious. No, because
you don't have the data.
No, but
this is a very serious matter,
But they will look at MPP population, they be at the numbers. Asante region, you will chroma nipa. Egu ye post office anymore epe wo mo card kromunya. So you have one member in election for election data cranya for example over 1.7 million. I to aba. Who voter region apparently less than about 600,000 thereabout. And it's all going to be a voter region with less number. Now Asante region with huge numbers. It doesn't mean
we are just talking about the nominal numbers.
But
we are talking about the ratios.
Okay.
Yes, I am trying to tell you, sir. Yes, of course, Greater Accra population. And also change Asante. And then Greater Accra being more resources Asante. But I just say the ratio.
Okay.
The ratio. Your nominal numbers na make keke.
And
I make say if for nothing at all, are you disputing say NIA executive arm a buying as well? Are you disputing?
Why not?
That?
It is.
Good. Are you disputing say your manpenny Akufuado na pointing na head NIA?
Of course, that is clear.
Are you disputing say impenyu form over NIA so they are subject to the direct control of the ruling government or manpenny any the ruling party MPP and will you dispute that?
Every institution, apart from let's say the various arms, the judiciary near that, they appointed the president appoint the judges.
So they are subject, so he can fire Kenate for today.
Yes.
And bring in the OPBR.
But the man said they take instructions from the president.
They take instructions from the president. The NIA is not an independent institution.
Probably on policy decision,
not on policy.
Not as to segregation.
Not on policy. They take this every decision
day
of NIA is subject to the control of the president. I am telling you. If I check the act, yes,
the act is there.
Well, but they don't have any autonomy and they don't have any independence. Your bodies are penny control by law. For example,
this is National Identification Authority.
And
they are an authority.
Okay, are they independent?
Not independent.
Are they autonomous?
Not
so why are you arguing with me? And I make say so to that extent. Omampenya Kufuado no control NIA no need interest. Onye no na aka say he will only hand over to an MPP candidate no. Enyo no na aka say say no de da na koma so nyina no no sign said you no be ye no e de abiti Kufuo no. Right?
Yeah.
And I made sure say so if you go and pick only the card issued by this authority Kufuado no control. What are you doing? So pick the Ghana card. Obiya no any problem. Ghana card ye GD NDC enye ya ka Ghana card no be be do no. Ghana card system software dey issue Ghana card NDC ni procure.
Yeah.
Ebi mu nim aban we nim system ne ho match. Ho procurement ye starting in 2012-2013. Margins group ye in 2013. President Mahama na yo manpenyi. System omu develop here ho factory acceptance test. Ye ka factory acceptance test in review e was we hear about every software and system. Now o passing say e papa ye betumi dia ye adwuma ye wie 2016 manpenyi Mahama abreso aban we buy me wo mo report o mo hwehwemu unu say do mo person mo twa system ni mu o mo ko ti abadwoko under vice president Bawumia office o mo ye hwehwemu wie no o mo recommendation was that president Mahama ya de power just system already ye di register amount for ye issue more than 1 million Ghana cards am foreigners under the FIMS project FIMS here Foreigners Identification Management System. This same system is President Mahama system of course the process started under Kofi in 2006 passed the laws and all that. President Mahama so be pass the laws you say President Kofi there are no problems we can discuss that. President Mahama put a shemra on the mad directive say effective 2014 and I have all the letters here. Yeah. Any state institution and any biometric database system.
Okay.
Because until that time, no, not DVL for biometric system. Passport office for biometric system. Obia one their SNET for one there. On stop ni nyina ka say ye nyina one. Yeah, it's ye Ghana card di. Yes say any one of the requirements for now because obia nyanya bi. Na say ye be nya be 95-99% coverage obi enya bi na wo say eno nko will still not be right because all across the world any identity management system and a database I will build bia no say breeder document na we use no card a obi betumi dia ba be dia dance see and register no say eye ba ko pe like na obi a wo bi mpo a you will still get people in that population mu ni bi obi di ayira obi register Ghana card the Ghana card ayira
no ebi kra sim card na was no nje
obi register Ghana card also go register for your flagging say a double registration
we appreciate that
what is so the can no common sense create a level playing field for everybody Kofi TM your Ghana card no mean one most of them per passport no you to about 2020 bu na mo we ne me boa G Mensa or your registration exercise and sana year 2020 abameboa or yes our registration exercise no anye passport say birth certificate on boga so bompe one use passport and then any ntimi use passport bi and then we took kwan na we free kuro bi so baga na then dey dances o ye Ghana na anye passport Ghana card no we say no nkwa na obeje no obi timi koswai ma ne busuani one person pe koswai ma wa ye dem we say me nje sa system ni and not so na dey adwuma from 1992 so me catch so mo person mo wie mu ade me person me change na ne say right from the outset of the electoral process they are manipulating the process to give MPP for an unfair advantage
and come aye boni nyina to fancy back when I'm person bisa then we wrap up
but I was here come back to your registration
I'll come there the me person me tia say nyina nti say ne if the decision is made conclusively say Ghana card nkwa ena omufanya adwuma what will be the position of the NDC for registration
you person you do why you be chere be but enru because emrana isi for ahyehyɛ sɛ Ghana card nkwa no mo de be hwere din eno nkwa ne be dia dancers obi e Ghana ni no enya me yemra Kofi sɛ what you say ena isi for so nhemra parliament
never share
na nsa na sa CI no mo de be kwakoto parliament anim na parliament for peniswa after 21 days ababa be yemra ye de be ye adwuma no de ye wo hwe enye yi agese wa court no e wo se omukọ basuku a e wo mra hye bedwamu a omo hwe saa emra no so ye from parliamentary committee for subsidiary legislation sa committee no NDC ni na ye chairman e Dr. Akurugu Tinga ayine miame boss NDC for wo so bi MPP for kuku dante say Dr. Obiamo anu nyina wo so bi and the information I'm picking say MPP for members no more committee no so no kra na bimo ehu ni say sa asem na EC for kan no yepene so a enya den emwa so very likely say true consensus building no at the pre-laying stage because as I'm running the beto parliament dom kese ni nyina anim na wo say committee na omodwendwen wo hwese chimatobi wo mo be kra na tenetene no until says I don't know the law will not be made. And Speaker of Parliament Aban Bagman so ho idie ye wo gidie mapa say omoni MPs ni nyina MPP NDC omobehwe ama EC na yen sachira ya wo so ye because Kofi enye we nko a 1 minute Ghana card ye no kra no so okay they ye dangerous was a new law ni mu no unim EC for say omo ma wo mantamu tien hiyo omo mma baby auto aba police station betwere din bi 392 besi na ye to aba ana ye voter registration ye registration bi ye no periodic ones limited registration ye no police station to ko register baby register no nim se ho na wo den auto aba it's almost on be in electoral area level so you can have about 4 or 5 polling stations to one way here bikra 50 one way here 15 polling stations so electoral area near Brono kese baako one way here obe register we no be penny polling station kra wanya de ohu because the net polling station we de din be kwa akoto ba bi foforo de to so biem easy for say registration do registration be sheda aye pa ansa na ya to about 2024 a friend continuous registration no omo betina omo district offices na e 87.9 Kumasi enti se wo Mampong constituency kuro bi ehye kuro bi ase a aje se opesika na ofa car na oba district capital district office wo na ko di lie so okona nru so aje se woda okope hotel da kope mi se be du so am ya twere odi masa enya ntokwa na mami we opeso de baga
this is a proposal and I say o
ma the ashem ready mu ye ka so one oni obi akra anwen
ho de be call parliament
oni obi akra anwen
into the parliament
or the akọ parliament dada enye ye na nke ye ko fifi mu hu ya anko ya pass
say no na ye expected the MPs this on be ma
Yes. So the point I'm making is say, Sanyama we nyina mwa because in the Ghana ho chiri. Nipa do se ne benya sika se me fa ka ba district capital. Oba ne yese network ateko ana nipa do so delay so wako high hotel adem ana wada form ama ade a chiansa ne yetimi atwere ne din. Na nipa kro no kra oba ma watwere ne din no. So se me to aba wo polling station we e wo edwe so a. Tiemi yo. Oba dan hu se wo ka no kre. Odi yɛmfa sɛ adwo so yɛ capital musalu mame ekuru nketewa na ɛwɔ adwo so district ni bi esie nimpɔn enti nipa na ba adwo so capital ɔsɛ meto aba wɔ esie nimpɔn ebia Methodist primary A enti mo register mo district office Kofi obɛda hu sɛ deɛ ɔka ne no korɛ enti obi kɔsesa nipa from one constituency ɛkɔ another base ɔmo a they can go with a story say you have no means of checking all these things. So Kofi, these are very serious issues that are important for our democracy and the peace and stability of this country. And I don't think you can was na ne kra me this see what NDC membership drive no. Yeah. Who here with national ID card, preferably Ghana card or any other national ID. Okay. Who here passport pictures me nu. Who here passport pictures me nu. Branch ho na ko bisa baby NDC for trading no well hu a constituency office ye be kirew na ukohwa ye be gi information na registration no e free untu akapreba we are ye be ma krata e dia dance se wo ye member ye dwumadi aye bia no sa krata ne kita wa betumi aye bi na mmom me kanfo ama so register wie ne ma sa krata na obegye membership ID card no. Okay. Because our membership ID card no unibia paper na yede ma on nsuo gusu a asay. Yeah. So the card na dey a plastic card, a digital card. Okay. Security features bibia ekita wa afebo. A 20 Ghana cedis na obitua because that is the cost of the printing. Make sure say you will get it. You can pay via Momo. Ukwa yebe ma short code *899*59#. *899*59#. *899*59#. Udi Momo bitria. E cash is why you be my receipt. You be your system ni nyina ma. You be print your card na free crime. Jordan kra na the IT for na be kumase. Mo am register bi by Jordan you be print mu nyina mo card wo kumase ya. You be my region for, am a region for the am award for, am a dey about wo constituency for so they are called branch constituency to ward to branch now for branch meeting because the person who branch NDC Nibia you must know your branch, you must go for meetings, you must pay your dues. So
more commercials on that until the listeners native for the run and would follow but for just about 11 minutes past 9 or sharing live on your TV. Live on Akoma 87.9 FM, of course, on our Facebook page. For beginning of the front of page, we've had some network challenge. Into more TV now, breaks kakra I think is getting restored better and better, especially on Facebook page and breaks eba. Until yani Sambi Jemfi one your national communication position your officer or director officer for the NDC yedin komo. One thing I'm observing your mobile I can make say the entire NDC and I'm mobile Muba Asante. I'm in every region.
Region be NDC penny for Koi.
I see.
But I agree with you, sir. For Asante region, they won't pay you for ni now. Because a national chairman and leader.
Almost everybody.
Yes, yeah. General secretary waha, national organizer waha, women's organizer, youth organizer, communication officer, my name is deputy senior, yenina waha zongo caucus coordinator. We are all here NEC members. Region BR so you have 5 executives from every region. And yenina yukrum Asante Mantema. And now me know kaze cry man penny dada and our 2020 flag bearer, papaya yenina His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the nation builder. Also
no, as a more day, I hope be regime.
That is not fair. I don't
know. I know. Like
no,
now but I said deliberately. No, I said more penetrative. What is it?
Because Asante region is key. It is critical to the Victory 2024 agenda of the party.
I see.
Region na yokukrumuti ayensa ne homopo. Because like I said, it is the second most populous region in terms of the voters register.
I see.
And it has so 9 people vote area.
Oh,
a polling station.
Okay.
Because 2020 you be about to you nipa na bag bobo mechia. Easy for ballot papers here no near the to be electoral materials security materials omo bi na omanya easy for validation stamp yaka validation stamp easy for nko na wo bi wo mo office obi nya bia na chese easy ni na de ma no no manya the authentic easy validation stamp e dia stamp ballot papers nyina echi ni nyina so ya tom print ya to aba no e dia mani pa ba ko
ebisi ka so
ni nyina so na ye the same problem ebisu si enkran ni nyina ballot papers
the pressure should not be created so only Asante region
and ni nyina so all the regions ni bisi ni nyina na nipa ba ko na ya tom print ya ma no mampenye kufuado ya tom print bi ama PPP GCP
Asante region because is a Joso area but
any asawase be bebre
but omo
ko ye no
at least Babonte said those the materials omo dey fake
na yon tro because the validation stamp was authentic. Take it from me, the validation stamp was authentic. Their cover was blown and ye ballot papers omo de ma wuntumi no mo cheche ma omo constituency executives police station bia omo koto na we the 10 agum na we the 5 agum police station agents of NDC yes e bebo omo na dey ntini
you make all these allegations you went to court you couldn't prove any of these things though be beka say no na mo de court direct but ya to abawi 2 years on sabe ya na
masa prove ben bi na wo pe ya to aba wo Ghana ha da sebi abegimi mre no kra na ya to aba wo Ghana ha ya to aba ni nyina awie no electoral commission no hwe abato no so oba be bobo resource obobo resource o my percentages ni ekeka bo mu na ebro 100 wa hu bi da evidence of about 2 years bu ben na we hia biem say imensa nko percentages timi bro 100 yeka percentage a echere say over 100
Ghana for some opportunity to prove it.
Me pacho one percentage over 100%.
Samie.
And I over.
You had the opportunity to prove.
And don't just say we can't talk about it.
Prove Ghana for who I expose the supposed rot a course no. So what can you say?
Prove we proved it. We even wanted Jimensa so be bad dak mama ya toto ya no na bibia wo mu nyina ba bonti ama Ghana fo nyina ehu Jimensa se womba obi o ka kire ye se emere no so ba be gina dak mu no so womba ampa court no so manemba ama ne fa ne hu die enti prove ben ya improve
you understand
when the EC check
court process na se better than some of us
2012 election petition afarijan wan kotena dak onim se wan nwia ba mu wan kotena dak question bia na Philip Addison representing Akufuado DJ person bu bisa ni bi o mantimi amisa no ada na Jimensa de adwa na ye wanwia ba mu a enka bra na be defend
depending on what the pleadings are the petitioner a plea those things and my but you have a different
what does that got to do with pleadings? you have filed witness statement what kind of we were dance here under oath what kind of we say me ba be gina da mama question amope bia mo bisa me emre no so ya wo se me mabie na court no so aba wo ban se wo mabie mu an wa na wo kan enti obi atimi sisa na adwe enti o ma no ano no
enti following na more particular interest for Asante region
masa nipa no results or the buy abro 100% o issue press release and the results for buy no so a okodu quarter or said the buy in the press release the day after no so you wrong or court results mpo an wa gazette mpo wan ko gina ho or say no so you wrong enti enne wo mi bisa 2020 presidential results do you even know evidence ben here be e yantanchia na court ni edidi yen but Ghana for mo hwe bi nyina hu de court ni nyina no they know the truth in the matter and so the fact say you do court as we have moved on no and chere say we can't talk about it and anamon bi wo ho a ye betumi atudi asisa de no kwan a yentumi ntu eno ho ne yetu no it Asante region there so ni me say ha na matena ko school abo me bra me two kotran kan e ko di pa kakra me bae no di mu apedan ama me say ha na mete e je say kan for mo nta wo say bim
eh na
e say we show the one me one day ti heya me ne mo a
me say Kumasi dey say we Kumasi boy
yes e ti heya ntina ha e mo sanfa 6 na ne ye 9 bim
e ba be wi a na we konti ananse dey
powerful continental ba
anti ba be wi a me ba be bisa o mo
powerful continental ba the best one in the whole world
oh Enra one of the Ochiame for Katanga Oprah well DJ Onana also na
masa
mabere we bi na obi na bi wo ha mo di to abajo anyway
we'll
talk about
omode say agree no mo di nti Kofi these are serious matters
very serious
I wasn't some trouble for mo boy na bibia akoso kama so
I see but Ghana for are in a very serious state, following the world crisis, everybody. One thing, the world crisis, if you are seeing Ghana for kind. No, hold on.
Kofi,
don't be.
Me who watch it, that's an old disappointment. I don't know, yes, sir.
No, we haven't what the whole world is facing though. But you'll be able to say, what is the alternative? I was there because the alternative party. And I say the options, and yeah, NDC and MPP or Ghana until we get a third force. Obi Bisa said, "Yati NDC for criticizing the current government, the current administration in many ways." Now, what is the solution? What is the alternative solution for country a crisis? I am Kofi
Medase.
I'm not looking at the problem. The alternatives.
The question waiting till was the correct question. Because why was it the Ghana you kumu bini na global world crisis, and I was answering beside me alternatives. Now me control world.
No.
If it is, listen, if a world crisis be global crisis be there, then it means you can't sit here and prefer local solutions to global problems because you don't.
Beside the current administration, that is the position.
Enti ayantro no mudi. Eni se wo Kofi Asante awe an authority eba radio Juma. Me to me aka say you are an authority. Eni se wo de wano to mubi because ayantro. You need to fact check them and expose them. Problem na ye komu no. Eye the direct creation of a bind we are tia konwa so. Any impenyufo mudi o man so. O man penya kufuado na bedi achire Alhaji Bawumia. Any o man penya kufuado ma me nua ba Kenuforia ta. Ono no ye o man futu samfo a yisika se nyina hye wonsa. Safo miensen omo na ase Ghana.
Omo ne Ghana's problem.
Yes. Obi bisa se Ghana problem. Ni din di sen a ye kufuado Bawumia and Kenuforia ta.
I see.
Enti because say because the problem are you facing a leadership problem. Opinion now need in common one Bible quotation or kind of so when the wicked rule, the people groom. Say nipa boni fo be di o man so a o man bre. And then metis o man penye kufuado kasa. Na ne ho ye mese. I say ye hwe ni mu se be aduru di age se onyankopon kwa ne betumi ababe gyen nyame nkwa ne betumi atene Ghana economy na
and the conference of
the paper ju bu Ghana for say onyankopon yensi na twetwe o onyame onye nipa da sani ne yesi na twetwe o dada sa ade we a wuye o ye sadusi ni ana o ye farisi ni ana o ye de ofi wo e ba bible mu amini se wakwadare o ni so onyame o de obi apa ama no
yeah
ade ba ko onyame eni su tumi ye nipa well to bo Adam oni put that seni odi kan Jan garden mu ho Eden true mu ho no na ko betumi for so Adam say women fa opem ma nti de me penko na be so de ne pem ma no o say hey we di badua ba we nko ada menye den menni Adam di ye no ehwo aso twema twe konkron se di oni padua no eno na otwa ontumi nkodua bro na wo expect say obetwa koko ababonia o mampenya kufuado wadua the bad choices are will na nyame de ma wo no wo dia take eno na dia ba bedu dia dru sika die basa reckless expenditure beyond our means, reckless expenditure leading to huge deficits. I say Ghana sika ba yensemu as revenue ni kakra bi ba fini be ko de we na ba na di boom I say Kofi utie bosome oji akatua 10,000 and so afini bosome ne be ko we no wadi 20,000 unye ko hwini. Say if you spend what you don't have a car ba beto so you borrow to finance it into omu disika ne broso na omo bobosia na omo disika ne broso na omo bobosia so omo fancy school omo bobosia omo fancy hospital omo bobosia omo fa mie port mu omo bobosia omo fancy airport omo fa nya de papa bia na ye de atwa yanum spelele na ye de rent wim share private jet kakraka every hour na omo sega na sika wo ho $20,000 not every day, every single hour. 60 minutes be 1 hour, $20,000. Ghana sikamu 2 billion near seno. In the last 12 months alone, na do sikankwa what they are renting we machine na your friend Boeing 737. 34 million cedis. Titisicano 340 billion. 2019 9 months or the 63 million Ghana cedis ne two kwai. Over 630 billion. Yes, say Ghana sikasa. So 2018 budget deficit here record 7.5%. 2019 before COVID budget deficit 7%. Threshold no acceptable level no so 5% too. 2020 15.7%. Abra Côte d'Ivoire, Togo, ama ye try and we share no deficit around 7%. Deficit ne chere say sika eba unsem ni de wudi de eboro so the excess expenditure. Say a borrow 5% of your GDP sika e wo economy ni mu nyina na just say wo ye reckless. Wo bu akwhwibra. Eti e de kabaye den ebeba. And o medi sika na broso abobosia e de high private jet e parties. Na me kwa de Kofi abi bisa me won say o mampanyi akufu ado. Di Ghana for ye nya omobo. Masa wo ye obatan wo fie na wo mani di ye. Wo ye papa wo fie na wo nyi chop money, untua school fees a. Ye tua ka bosomi a wo de ko disco mane ye. Kofi me bisa
na do akọ disco.
Na wo mampanyi a wo emofre wo primary school ni JHS untimi to textbooks e ma wo mo ma ye mfa nkyere wo mo ade mo me ye mpanyi pa 3 years in this sense what the new syllabus ko untimi to textbooks o mampanyi a and secondary schools wo ye free SHS and so ye mofra buada because aduane ni ho ti akora na okọ preps kora na okusua de a wo de ye furu pan eni yesua de food crisis everywhere. Untimi ntua contractor for ka untimi ntua bafa stock ka sika ni ho uji sika o se me pese me biare wo wiem nti no makotata wiem hyen 1 hour bia $20,000 na ye ma o massage na baby a wati fie dui ani je ben biem.
Don't you think you are trivializing the issues?
Trivializing what? The bane of Ghana today is waste. The bane of Ghana today, your problem ni na you say describe it in one word is waste. Because abanya wanye sikacha aban bia wogana bakosemu. President Mahama aban in 4 years total revenue sika onya ye nyina 200 billion. Omampenya Kufuado enya 500 billion and over. Wenya oil sikacha obia. Wabobosia chen obia. All banaga na ka from Kwame Nkrumah penso besi Mahama penso na ye 120 billion. Kofi wo mani abre 120 billion ye ka ye de Nkrumah de ka hobi Kotokani afifa de ka hobi Akufuado papa ni buzi de ka hobi Akufu de ka hobi one ba ko defense champion ye papa Liman ye papa Rollins ye papa Mills ye papa Kofo omunyina abosia ne Mahama abosia 120 billion na bawomia ne Akufuado nko e de 273 billion aka Ghana ka. Not even one hospital initiated and completed. Not even one secondary school initiated and completed by them. Sika no mo de ayede. Amen.
One secondary school initiated and completed.
Yes, not even one.
They are building a lot of secondary schools. In the existing secondary schools. Quite as they are but they are very far in.
What deviate exams are week mark cry you because question here. One secondary school are what 50 years here we also say master TV.
No, but many governments within their first 4 years obviously
master your first 4 years na John Mahama started 124 senior high school
all within the
50 also no we 50 in komya gum buses wo ho yaye ICT lab yaye library ni de keka ho 50 obobosia 56 billion pe o waji 273 billion over kaze na ban bia ni wa enya o second term no mo no 6 years. Unim sika nko mo de ato party. Unim sika nko wa waste no on useless trips. Me say the problem, the bane of this economy, of this country, in one word, a waste. So, ubisa me your alternatives, Kofi. Alternatives ni simple. And then ama dollar do 10 Ghana. Then ama cedi. You can say petrol and a diesel gallon near 14 Ghana cedis. Etwem 60 Ghana cedis and then 61 Ghana. Dia na ama cement bagger yene Mahama te 2016 na ye tono 27 Ghana gas sem no 42.5 R na ye tono 65 Ghana dia nti na nchensen iron rods emo abro gare olo kan ye tono 5 Ghana cedis 2016 ene minim Kumase bankan ye tono 14 Ghana dia nti na ye obi ahwo kire no ye nyina ye nu atutu aka yensem because adwuma nim why has the unemployment rate moved from 8.4% as at 2016-2017 to 13.4%. Why? Any year kwechi. But amaya eka ya nweshie nyina Burkina, Togo, Cote d'Ivoire, Nigeria, even war countries at war like Syria, like Pakistan, Burundi, Somalia, Munyina, at then or mobile Mohammed Chenye. Kofi unim say Ghana, according to Bloomberg, upon Maya, the whole world. The whole world. There are 195 countries in the world. And Bloomberg for tracking over 150 of these currencies.
About 150, yeah.
Ghana, yes, you know, you talk to me, you know, I cry. Unim country, I eat me at the channel. Sri Lanka, rupee. Sri Lanka, na dani amanfuno. Omoman penny, omo chasing them and edjanen. Omonko ni timi channel. And then unim said the whole world. Tie me, opo maya. Neka mene no won't be into aneka. Obi say omo ne bosia bi me ne Ghana unim say yentimi nkwa amansa gwa so Eurobond market ko bosia ye kwa no mo pamoye. We've lost access because ye kana Mahama eko na fibia sika ye di tua ye ka wonsi hu na 10 billion 2016 and next sika ye di tua ye ka wonsi hu 50 billion ye chire ye jeje taxes e wo Ghana nyina 1 year including e-levy enso ye ka wonsi hu debt service nkwa enso because first quarter of 2022 from January to March Ghana taxes are you 12.2 billion. Unim sika ye diko tu ayeka wonsi ho 13.8 billion. Ye bobosia so ye sika nyina so ansa na yetime tu ayeka wonsi ho.
So me
aban adwuma ye fo ka tu aye bobosia.
Onye concern
me ba solution me ba.
Yeah.
Everything statutory payments ka kuntu nyuma bia je se bobosia. And abosia no so obi aso o mo ebiem. And obi ani sika wa ha bia de ni sika ekọ. Omudi omusika ekọ omo $6 no ama dollar short ya dollar ekọ soro. That is the bane of the problem. So what is the solution? Number one, omudi problem na ba no. Yenyi omu free ho. Ni yempa fofora omo so betumi the fresh ideas bi aba be turn things around. Because omampenye Kufuado yenka say befa Kofi Asante ye the finance minister. Ana Isaac Adongo ana Sami Jemfi ye the finance minister. What am I say? Yes wa MPP party no hwehwem. Ye won panyimfo afoforo wo mu a omo so they mean well for Ghana. Omo so bibi wo mu omo betimi de abo oman no. Na nado say ebe sika sem de age say na me nua ba no ko ati no 87.9 Kumasi. And o se akotomu former tafo MP mu we. MPP wo position ye po omo makwadare wo sika sem mu na kanu foriata no we. Wo investment banker, data bank adwuma na wo ye. Wo eba financial management de na wonim. Na makasibe ye bo amo we, ye mfa omo nya hwe. Because omo free omampenye Kufuado fie opedi ofiri ni fie a obobosia obenya so mfaso what said the kind of rata bobosia bia $11 billion Eurobond onya ho commission no because kind of rata onya sika o de call ofuripenye fie e wo chebi na nado fie na eka enti one ne nana no ne nana nkanso amu enya wonda because they are profiting from borrowing, they are profiting from the finance ministry and change these bad managers of the economy. But we are chairman of the economic management team. O catch and say we are simunyan say nyina nyame de ahye team. Na e basika samonto to ya Ghana oni sefo. Na he is the best. And eba womia dollar do 10 cedis yehwe na ye hu. Only even one solution to the problem. Why must he continue to be the chairman of the economic management team? Na ye o committee na oje pedi e makese. Na ye tua ne ka kese change him
same
na mo fa for nya the emra o change omu wia also alternatives just in 1 minute o change omu wia afa live your life like a responsible guy 87.9 Kufuado live your life within your means, cut your coat according to the size of your cloth. Kofi ma say enu nti no sikadie basa no monte so na ye deficit ne mra fom de ehia no ye ntwetwa free ho. Sa private jet say me here oteso a expenditure will come down. Fisika nkwa wodi no na so Office of Government Machinery 2017 na 79 million Ghana cedis na ye de call omampenya kache.
They will tell you said they have about 20 or 15 ministries.
2017 na 15 ministries ni mu be 12 ehwo. And so now 79 million. 87.9 Kumasi. Ade. Wodi sika na ye de. Mo de ye de. So set your priorities right. Cut down on the waste. Auditor General say from 2017 to 2020 alone, Sikan ko efa ban juma e fon sase a
17
32 billion.
32 yeah.
Can you imagine what this can do for Ghana? And you may be to me a BA, schools a bit to me a see, hospitals a bit to me a see. What the Asante region here and the dama no Asante region here stronghold. What the man no say CSN and see interchange as is swami. Blog or cramuti into no. He kumasi aquine. He Asante region aquine. Hospitals are present. Amadi Jamo for Mena Kumawu Konongo Afari. Say what? There wasn't a year by 2018. Na besine akamurem.
Those monies were available. I don't want to me and me.
What's it?
Those hospitals.
But the hospitals, you know, contract. The project be our duration.
Some of them were just 2008, 2018 January. Some of them were 2017.
Listen. All those projects were awarded either in 2015 or 2016. And omunina duration, you know, minimum 18 months.
Yeah.
To be anyone nanki bit me by December 2016. But contractor was site like the NMS projects like for Mena. Sikada. Abane ba ya no so me wo susuye bi se Mohammed Sika wo muti no. Contractor ko tranche me baba be audit. Unim.
Yeah, financial.
And ye je adwuma ne to ho, asa sika ye audit. Emfie bebre ni. Audit na ya nhwe. Ave ya se contractor nko ba contractor se me nko because mama me tena fie no. Enyama boa ye de. Ya je se mama me sika, omo so buntua contractor se me nye. Say way between money contractor and quite delay Juman for how many years? Nobody mutimi di Asante Maya bro said the other day. Ya nyanya bibi ama wasi ya bono krono. Wo hospital na wa misibi. Dia wo be 2 years ikada ho no so no. Why ne basa? They are a wasteful people. A wasteful bunch. Me can na ya me ya because me hana me unim say me papa. Obusu afo fi kuma se ba ro here. Ha so na matena ko school ah.
A wasteful bunch, Same, is a wrong word.
A wasteful group of people.
No.
Wasteful group of people. Na sika bebre ba dia mom dia no mai no kruma. Dia no mai no kruma and na the papa
was may call for the same thing. But that description
wasteful, what is wrong with wasteful? Won't you waste that? Wasteful ne obi a woman na dia no was say no.
Wasteful,
that is it. What is wrong with wasteful? There is nothing offensive about it. And I'm showing you the waste. The Auditor General is the one saying it. They've wasted 32 billion on corruption from 2017 to 2020. Me who 2021 there. And on your waste. Private jet now or in high no. Abraya what presidential jet to be media to kwano and your waste. Conform and penyo kufu adu fee anymore. Nima residence. Upa conform every weekend. Every weekend there is a party going on. Every weekend without fail. Every weekend. Go there na kwa rehabilitation ma no or no ni papa fia or the jane japade. Enye Ghana sika. And or the CCA was ano. Go and check 87.9. Kofi, let's the problem in this country is the love for country is not there. Me, I don't care who say this baso. Na mpenyifo bi ye the aban we ya. I don't care. We will tell them as it is. Because the Ghana ni wa amanyoku ni ho.
And if we have NDC in power,
you are window dressing.
We are not window dressing issues.
Is it because you are in the Asante region?
No, we are not window dressing.
Say it as it is.
If you
and let them sit up.
Kofi Asante, I am no window dressing. And I am not a person of the window dressing. I am not a person of the window dressing issues. Yes, I am. I am not a person of window dress issues. But my worry is that NDC abeji Ghana dollar 10 cedis. Some of them maybe walk above that. You bet him the back. I be say cedis.
Dollar am my form.
Okay.
The bit to me aya ne sem pompon so $1 ne kwambi kan so bete. That's it.
So
you can reduce the rate of depreciation.
Yeah.
So enya anopa dollar 9 cedis.
Yeah.
By 12 9.2.
Between February and August, I reduce by 32%.
9.4. Ebedu nyumre 9.6.
Yeah. And no
na. And this abreso hunbi.
Okay. But dollar intimate from less than 10.
No. But that one, how are you going to do it? It can be significant.
Yeah.
You will reduce the rate. How are you going to do it? It's simple. The economy is speculation. Economists friend confidence and our trust.
Yeah.
Because investors dollar need depreciate. Pressure about dollar. Then SC Ghana until be per dollar. The SC Ghana until be per dollar. Let's say baby bawumia abobosi anakwa kodru
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
it will be an isika share bi obi wa waye 91-day treasury bill obi aye 181-day treasury bill enke so a ngada normal circumstances say isika sem ya na ogidie say ye betimi atua ne ka obey roll over onko gisika no is a time no so you say mo fa misika ma me because obi ase sika na ekono me Jessica no wa sika na be hye ye de sika na ma na cedi sa or the code chroma say Kofi or be sesan dollar. The demand for dollar has gone high but the supply of dollar is low, so you must tackle the demand. How to reduce the demand? They say yeah, Bank of Ghana why by increasing policy rate to 22%, because inflation is 32%. So if obiye treasury bill now and we have 26% our boka because in 1 month the nyama boa kosoro averagely by 32%. But no in fact when you see can we 26% to our boka and the policy rate now they are kosoro necessary. The way to deal with the demand side of the problem, they say, bring the confidence back. Show the investors that you give them credible figures, not cooked figures, in terms of your revenue projection and your expenditure. And you'll be honest about cutting expenditure. And then another one say me cutting expenditure, and so still, would you butcher train our private jet? Okay. Are you getting me? Then the supply aspect, and they saying supply aspect, and they say Ghana, yeah. They be a crane because of the nature or the structure of our economy. You need a medium to long term plan to change that structure through industrialization. For example, why are we spending millions of dollars still importing a situation? Abra President Mahama eja ye $30 million Commander Sugar Factory. Say nya broni be ye pa na lanche maintain share and also be president Edimeboa. Or share ye and a factory ye adwuma ke reduce sugar imports. So what you say? So through that medium to long term ye betumi reduce Ghana for demand for dollars. Na bosia yetimi kobo in dollars on the Eurobond market no. Okay. E was yetimi ko back. You say ka ye ho akire ye ka bon say can operate wa issue bonds. Ye to bonds na we nya dollars. He say untimi issue sa bonds ni biem on the Eurobond market because you've lost access. Say a new government ba or the new goodwill beba. Or the new goodwill ba or the new trust beba. And investors will want to try that new government. And did you see PPP chairman was very profound. Where we are, it is only a change of government. And when that change of government ba, and now say President Mahama be done into the investors believe in him. Under him, this capital flight here in sea. And we believe said the lost confidence will be restored to a great extent.
I know one wants a dollar now all over the world. I am stronger, even beating the euro, beating pounds and everything.
Master, safest way. The emphasis safer way.
I don't know person hide it behind.
What you say? They make a $1 too. I don't know. Mama Brazil 2016. Na 1 million safer, 6,000 Ghana cedis. 1 million safer, 6 Ghana cedis. And now for 1 million safer,
87.9 Kumasi.
And cost more than 100%.
More than 100%.
Si safer no club musika anymore. Me say Burundi fosika, Somalia fosika, Afghanistan fosika, Syria fosika. Omu nyina omu sika ho de nchen Ghana cedi. Enti anya dollar. Sika bia biti e. Sika ba akopa ye yetinya biti no. E Sri Lanka. E na ebe kaso a oman ba akopa ne yetinya biti no nim ni din. Ope oman a ne ka mene ne pa the whole world Ghana na area. Na country bi wo yetinya biti no. Ye friend no El Salvador. It was Central America. On population is 6.8 million. And no question say on what say on my nisika say mo mpenyifo na yes how. Omo ko adopt Bitcoin. Meaning Bitcoin.
Yeah.
And the your national currency. And a Bitcoin no enya a major slump on the international market. And affect you. Omo kwa ni timi twa omo. Nti e ba car yare. E ba yesika yare. E ba inflation and the whole Africa ye toso fall. Unim countries say bi tu omo. Zimbabwe, Sudan and Ethiopia. Omo maka nyina bi ti Ghana. Omano dani amanfo omane sei enu nti nipa amutie me no ye meke yampa unim enyampa unim na wuda ugem na unim se nesisi ehyehyɛ fa nti the president kofo kan ye no enu na me di gya 2000 was hwe wasetirem na to abata.
Do you see any hope from now till 2024?
Hope
who's the name a bit master?
Things are only going to get worse because by April I heard another dollar and I'm 12 Ghana cedis or more. And an IMF program na ye kwa na also compare IMF program you don't even have any document out the kwa too many. I feel no mo twere IMF for no bag Ghana be so say okay na mo homegrown solution document policy blueprint be na mo de ba beji sika no. Omo si ye ni bia fe ni etwere. Enti IMF program no ye betumi anya kra be ba sometime in April. Until April ye mo ya bosu. And a problem na ye wo mu no so no the IMF program alone cannot take us out.
Akuma FM.
Me maka bibi wa another station so say o man penye kufuado. Instead of san hwehwe nimu nyame som na wodi si nyame atwetwe no na me hwe nyame anim no. Sachra e wo wakumam. Nyadwen sachra. They say o de boye ni ya preach ya kire na wasachra.
Okay.
Sisan wusuban change your actions. Change the bad managers of the economy no. Change them sachra. Change your ways because I nyame na wo boni din no enkosi hwe.
Thank you very much Samijemfi.
Kofi make we na be the manual.
Yes, ya landewa.
Anybody or yet spiritually conscious no nim nyame asem bi ahwe Ghana de Ghana he will tell you one thing. Said this is a country under judgment. We are a country under God's judgment. Bad decisions now your leaders are taking no. Any sikadie no ma ye basa no and our community any agurika especially awudi sem no mudi in 2020 elections ekum nipa enwotwe no the blood of all these people and akogu nanado tiso no and until they change their ways and repent
okay
things will continue to get worse.
Thank you very much.
Because we want it to be so, but it is because masa udua bodia na ubika.
Just a minute. Sebia beat my packages about 5 callers. 0322498035 0322498032 and 0243114497. Very quick one. We are na chese mene me binia Penny Eja Abraham ebedin komo. Hello, good morning. Who are you?
Good morning, Minia.
Meba cho bonite one America say.
Metia loyal Paco. But it's not Maharaji.
Senior Mamintio.
You medasi. Hey, Daddy, when I'm show, papa. My not kind of play TV when I'm show. No media guitar. And what I'm the thing. Now, I mean, it's a lawyer, but now. Why are we treat them? Maybe our best now will tell you no question to tell me. I did know this road. Never.
Send me some questions.
The man question there. Yahoo.
Okay.
The BN on your Cooper 2024, but we ain't putting some back.
But I say, hello, good morning. Who are you?
Good morning, Kofi.
Mini Abeni.
Wow, this year Kofi and DC.
Kofi Mamintio, quick one.
So, bomb boss. A bit of money, papa, because the best sentiment ha. Ni adi, because you think some. Kofi, $1 and someone here can walk. O man penny na ni
87.9.
And now, younger about me, you welcome. The president. Economy Nazaya pan with me at now. Not dollar. A be 10 cities. Opening by this time. Ghana for yes, so 7 dance and some way you.
Okay, Vedasi, good morning. Who are you?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Aduanaba.
Yes, sir.
But in the Katafi Museum.
Mamintio, quick one.
You, killer. So to tell for somebody a bit more away. With a young boss who are couple, you're the family. They didn't share more than money. I mean, I would say that they come. Chance, you're not good for them. You're 100 years cost of the people to Ghana.
Okay, Vedasi, good morning. Who are you? Yes, sir. Hey, Miriam Lukman.
Hey.
I mean, you.
Katile, no, ya family dem bisa me manake, me manakwa waso.
Ajene so.
Na maybe when you grow. Hey. No what you so. Hey, family dem.
Okay.
Aduanaba.
Yeah.
Me pacho mami Musa lo ya family dem fi say. In 2025, yamin pe ni so mu ntime ma. Na so maba be o maba be di akonya no so a me pacho dollar. Ye be to say o Ghana.
Osinya de betima te aba fom bebre, but enwane te say de ni edwani.
Na ti re bia na ba wo so wo ye kwampo de in fact wo ya ma say ye niema be bia enye Ghana hanko ade na ba me boana. So lawyer so me de fi kwampo ni. Esa de no enye Ghana hanko a Let's see what see ya then what can some community TV yeah what can different hey lawyer family them fee maybe now we are also a central who that twenty they are going to buy that one can and not also no come lawyer Mr.
Hey fancy that's me for last call good morning.
Okay, my friend.
Yeah, when you
me pass from Congress me kasa fi so
mami nti quick one.
My member lawyer Samije Fiakwaba na me chia me boss me Udina Bass na me sure mo e won dem to pa ma tuturu wa Koma FM Samije fi we shake foundation no e wa Asante region e man kofo na e form fantasy for MPP for no ma to film team when we buy it 3 days we be wo kom he we wo the Asante region asesa.
Okay, me that say good morning. Right, for how the day after for the na be see me din the Aduanaba Kofi Asante Abraham
Mr. Asante.
Bibi abako there.
Yankopo to me.
Yo, anopay ye hwe ya pomden.
Yo, Mr. Asante me da se. Me share Onua FM.
Aye.
Na na tiefo nyina.
And
Eja Abraham, ani akoma FM. Me number na me di dwuma ne 0242 76 48 35
0242 76 48 35
and our WhatsApp no is 0549 10 15 80 0549 10 15 80. Mr. Asante, and me shas here were infections and namu yarwa. Eti obia o tie me Mr. Me chimo fi den matini na woni tie na ebia ankawa na e wo nua bi ho. Mr. Sa woni be ma bi akodi empem agro na wanya enamu yare na oba bi akodi empem agro na wanya enamu yare na wo ye be ma na ama oba ma mu hyehyew ana se ama oba ma mu kekaw ana se bi ukotoreti na wo chima aya na ensuo fita bi fru be ma mu ba. Me se sa de mai bi aba ho panya ensuso aso na de ba no bi na mebe ebo so no ana se wo wadun so moja pen na se bia wunya do bi no mo nkwala abrem na wadun so moja na amrant brem enei ejaya ensuso aso na wu wo ni paduam no ebi na mebe bo so no esense sa ensuo fita na akotoreti fru be ma mu ba no ana dun so moja na odun so omle bi no eye moa eti no na nyei emoa no bi wadun yo se edo na anom ya omobra ase eti wo bo se wo wadun so moja pen ana ensuo fita fru be ma ba no ensuso aso ni bi ni se sa wo ye be ma wo bo se ma be ma de ketewa bi etumi ma wo dwonso ententem etumi ma wo be ma no nso mu hyehyew etumi ma ensa bi begu be ma no ho wo bo se afen so kɔtɔ sabi wo chima na nsuo fita bi furu be ma no mu aba etumi didi na awura wa ya se wo ye be ma no na ma prostate etida bia me ka se wanya nam yare bi no wa pedra wo ye be ma emire bi koda e ba ebetumi ahya roba e ba sa wo bo se na agya osisi yare enti ma wo chinka se ne ya wo ya etimi ma wo nan ene wo nsa eye titriti na wo to asentiri mu twetwon bo se na wo dwa se de meko ana wo asra wo e ba sa wo baby ehia ya enemu sesie na se bi wo ho esa no Mr. se sa niam nyina bi koso wo nipaduom a enemu yare ni bia e ba sa wo se na ma wo video mu hyehyew ama wo nantabro na esi fom no na emu hyehyew se de wo tia ejasrema so wo nantika kra bia no wa bre no wakoma ne bo peri etimi didi ba wo yam enti wo be ko hospital be ka se wonya typhoid obama typhoid no sa be do bia se wonya sabos na aboa no hyehyew na wo mu dwaw mesaw sa niam nyina bi koso onipaduam a na sa wo ye be ma wa ampan no adura ebe me ya hyew rubber as a prostate ana sa ebekum wo be ma no kodwo to ana sa awie ye kora na edo beto form as a stroke it will be a wonya nam yare ni bia obo se wo yi pa 100 a emu nente omu nyina nya stroke so wonya nam yare ni bia memfa ni agro to anamon na bra jabra ma so ye na beji nu papa bi na sa haw ni amanhunu nyina fi o ye oban so na so wonya nam yare ni bia wo so bo se emansuo bi ta gugu etumi ma waseke kaw se nsuo no gugu no ampedo bo se ne fiber da ka bom na bibi ni na wasete se bi eba waya so na bibi na what se ba eba sa na so agya osisi yare na mo chinka se ne o ya na o na anu sai tititi na o to asintini twon eba sa bo obi sitimi ye ne ya pa na wa kyese wa tue no wo wiase na wo mpa ni na ne sisinda so ye ne ya so ye oba so ye be ma me slow to anamon ne bra agya Abraham aso ye me so enkran me wo da kuman abrewana na sport da kuman abrewana na sport abrewana na sport wa me wo resro e na tema nso me wo community 1 tema community 1 man kwade run about wo bia kuma se takra de kofori aka ni gina no sunyan me wo estate me ne brotherhood asodan share first war e na kuma se de me wo ohwim asuofo akwanso ohwim asuofo akwanso si ohwim school junction wo na ka se okọ eja Abraham wo me so number me di dwuma ne 0242 76 48 35
0242
76 48 35 and I say 0549 10 15 80 0549 10 15 80 Mr. Dem this is WhatsApp me entro your voice note and I say frefaso Mr. Asante top yesemi me down matter and be ma me na me hear breast cancer no
oh okay
wa ma me materials be 5
wow and no di juju
enya se kotwa Asante me say oh bom so ya tech bom so ya na onya breast cancer o Germany ton abrofu krom e wona amfidia kese wo ya ye ne scan ahodo ye tese mammogram ahodo empanie na omko won for say chemotherapy o dia wo the breast cancer na anko doctor say obetwa ne no fo no e ba sa osuro enti what semi kan wo fudies no wo twa protective Germany ton abagana ha me say obia wo se me boa no opa omra me de number ne be ma no na me ne nyina abo na mon akọ no akọ ko se etra obehu me de aduro no ma no opani ne no fo na sabi abrofo no wo mpane na atwekọ ama wo etum pictures na me de beba last week me de beba ntime ba odawro na mo de atu TV ni so ama me ka se ya ebe no fo na mo de atu so ama me wo se ne no fo no wo etum na mama na duro ama no fo na atwe ba ema no fo no ho efe kora se na ono animu ama ne mu aye ne ya na chika se ne ya dua na atwe no motuom ni nyina efrimu etimi sew wa wutie mi no nya breast cancer na wo de chinia enko eni da so nya nsaye sa twedwo wo motuom ana doctor ye operation na asaba ana ye twa onufo na asaba ama wonsa na hono ama mu ka sane o ya chese wo je ho anyi utire nyina etutu o mo awire nyina ehye awo enam chemotherapy pane na wo na tu na mo bra jabra masoye me se me be ma waduro eye nansa obon se onufo na ye den se bo no na start na ne e am ntie ne ye o ye breast cancer do na obon se doan etweba onufo na no ba bia ya na abofra ne num no tia na obon se mbahunu no na se ho no aye dudu kakra na soro na ye ha na je se etweba fom e be twea ba be du nipple no black wa bi na ho no bo se na afide doan no enimu biem ba bia na ye so ya breast cancer fa ko check o ko na bi ho a bra ba jusika o ko na bi wo mu biem a ba jusika na me mani pa bebrebe Mr. Asante me ha mani nka metima ka se o ma me breast cancer sa mo yare o Ghana ha se me ka se me kai o ka de o ma confirm se doctor confirm se mo atom me ha mani nka metima nya nipa 1002
wow
breast cancer ma hwe mo yare mo ho atom etimi sew se o tie me na abuso ni be nya breast cancer fa ne bra ejabra maso ye je number ni is 0242 76 48 35 0242 76 48 35 WhatsApp ni 0549 10 15 80 0549 10 15 80 and crime what da komai abrewana na sport tema community 1 man kwade run about Kumasi ne takwa de Kofodia station wona mo Kumasi mi wo ohwim asuofo akwan so si ohwim school junction sunyai mi wo estate junction me ne brotherhood asoda no na Dr. Achireko me pa chew wa wutie me na wanya enkwei odie no sabi oda na osore na abegu hwuom oda na ekoyam osore na sabi abegu hwuom oda na ekoyam ana odie na befu asabi obema ne nchen ho ana se odie no abefu a oyam ana wo so yoba odie na befu a wayase ana se abefu a ofuruma na chi oda na ekoyam osore na ba ama oyam tutu ama to dara na ekan ho ana wo kotoret eto dan so asabi na ama wo fe chese odie de kan ho chese ontimi yo ho hwe so ye bema obu opejade abos na be hye na yase kakraka mesao ade mu odu na be hye na yase kakraka so onya nkwe ni bi abegu hwuwa num ama hwuwa no aye kakraka mpanifo se amama na ye cho ndi ada na ye cho mesao hwe me be ma woduro bosome ni na otwim bi odie duro no ni nyina la benane afiri se bi hwuwa num abra ye mfase kankan na da bia na doctor fon se eye won so na be da hwuwa num e dia na mitro challenge ma ma se bi bia be da hwuwa num se mi bisa omo se omo didi na omo jom na ya e be fon hwuwa num ana se me fa hwuwa num dia enya won so eye amama e jabra me so be mo woduro ama amama na benane afiri hwuwa na be normal se mi dia ibi eye ketwa yi na enya kakraka se bi case 5 no ball no me so eti o tie me no nya enkwi henia so ya bofra so ya pani so ya ba so ya bema wo de na be hye ofurumam abehye ofuruma achi abehye se bi wo ba ne so ana abeda hwuom ana se be fun obema ne nchen a hwe number na go tv ne so nefa na tu na mo bra jabra ma so ye me so enya henia ne nko me wo esichere yare aduro tatahwe me be mo aduro na asiesie o pancreas no na atuma produce insulin na manipadua no abra onko no metformin bia onwo insulin pania bia biam o tie me na so de ne hepatitis bia me stow me mo aduro na otwe me da bia me ba me ka me se wa police pani ni nua no UK okwa check ye se o hepatitis bi ma me na duro ama free ni padua mu je number no ne to na mo bra number ne 0242 76 48 35 0242 76 48 35 0242 76 48 35 WhatsApp ne 0549 10 15 80 0549 10 15 80 Kumasi ha mi wo ohwim esofo akwan so sunwan mi wo estate junction mi ni Dr. Achilekon anaza brotherhood aso da ne ben tema mi wo community 1 ba bia Kumasi takra de kofodua ka ne gira no ena enkra mi wo da kuman abrwana na sport ye frame Jabram pass Mr. Asante bro ba mi so ana
na me adom ye time na so
yo se time na so dia je number no last na me so 0242 76 48 35 0242 76 48 35 Mr. Ebian ma mo yare so men ka se Jabra me no aduro e breeding tin men ma mo na me nton aduro e herbal clinic fa how no man hunu ne bra na frame na kan how me wo hodo me mo ba me hu odo so a me direct to bi ye frame e Jabra da se ne se nyame anku a ye be sen ehia
me da say abusanfo high akoma 87.9 FM live on Onua TV and of course your Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM. Happy birthday Kasie. Mamenya this birthday dedication. Happy birthday Kasie Enkoma Jehoshaphat Danso aka Jeho. Mama Joyce or Germany. Jehoshaphat Danso or Germany. And I'll pay from Mama Joyce Germany. And then Abushanfo Union Kumane Kasie nyina show happy birthday mpaya almost say radin shroud on your kese nti Jehoshaphat Danso and pay your birthday happy birthday to you may you continue to be blessed Akuma FM atiafo amunya adaje we feed the to Akuma 87.9 FM. It's been a wonderful morning and we wonsum your weekend most authoritative political show the bro that was Sammy Jemfi's discussion extensively ote yanka me catch us nyame ya adomo a Akoma keteke eba so ifiada ebe so ame magazine ye de mempotamu keteke na de brew ye koso ame magazine ti mo amu tie ye mo amu hwe ye nyina munhia ye nyame ya adomo a Akoma keteke eba so live ifiada ebe so ame magazine race course free to boy ye 9 September munhia ye ho Samsung Central Market for 23rd September amonso munhia ye. The biggest outdoor event eba Asante Mantemu will be a train Asante Marathon. Asante Marathon. So jumedia mo amunim Kumasi mo amuhwe yen wo TV so baby I will be able to aba join yen. Kumasi mo Akoma FM yenim ha. Ni afa kusi Alnaga Junction. Ni afa kusi airport runabout. Ni akwa kusi Suame runabout. Ni si Sofulai. Ni si ahojo Santase runabout. Ahojo runabout back to Kumasi Mall. Na ya ba betrichi yempom do be wini no achede kese ene wo ho a ye de mamo and all the events eguso ebekoso e de amawo bidin e de Aduanaba Kofi Asante obibini akwene put the show together with JB and of course Walker Okon Giaman and all the team members Mamo TV Kunti and of course MCR and the entire team nina Uncle Ray and your team good morning nyame enkoso nshiramo Mamen kanchro say nyame ya adomo a Eduada ejan de chain exclusively with you with everything abane ekoso e KUST Kunti and of course Katanga and Tokwa ekoso and Ghana Koma and so ebebrel exclusively. Me sorry ya we bini akohene e de ebibi nsroma eba reggae pa with our culture and the root in ayakado ayade bro. On that note, the